Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. We've got a great day lined up for you today. Cash giveaway Friday, as always. It's a promise I make to you every Friday. Big news today for MULLEN. We're watching MULLEN very, very closely. That is the breaking news of the day. We'll cover it and tell you why. You can see now we had a sell-off this morning, which is what you'd expect. This is how the markets are supposed to behave in a bearish market. This is exactly what's supposed to happen. First thing in the morning, the market sell off, presents opportunity for the day traders, and then it pops back up again. This is what we want to see, but hopefully it will go back up again and we won't get the market profit prediction of 30% down or more. And that's allegedly, supposedly what could happen any day now in the next few days. So hopefully that won't be the case. Let's get straight into the trades. We've got a cash prize giveaway as well. Wherever you're watching me this morning, good morning TikTok, good morning Facebook, good morning Twitch. Wherever you are this morning, thank you very much indeed. I see many of you were here early this morning. Bill was here pre-show, Zach, Mike, Ali Tisro, Peru, all here early. Lovely to see you. Come straight into the main chat now so I can bring you on the screen. Here we go. Looks like Bill and Mike, Peru, looks like they're over there on my Twitch account. Thank you very much indeed. We've got 35 followers. Thank you so much indeed. I just need 50 and an average of 3 a day watching me in Twitch. Please don't abandon YouTube for Twitch, whatever you do. But if you can watch it at the same time, open a second tab. It really helps us grow like TikTok does and all the other platforms where I stream every day. Here is my Twitch account. If you've not got it, thank you very much indeed. I'll give you 3 times there in the chat. All right, good stuff. Thank you guys for being over there this morning. We got 2 of you now. It will show up in a minute that I have hopefully 3, which is the average I need, and it'll be good. Paul, good afternoon. Welcome, Paul. How are you this morning? Lovely to see you. Now then, the markets are dropping again. We've got a position in MULLEN. Got a position here of 1,000 shares of MULLEN. Why? Because we're expecting some action this morning. Normally happens. Doesn't mean it will. You've got to be wary of that, but hopefully it will. Naz, good morning all. Good morning. Good morning, Paul. As you can see, a few technical glitches this morning with a few things. Can't do much about that now. The show's up and running. Your icons aren't showing for some reason. Who knows why? Who knows why? All right. The good thing, though, we're up and running. Live, we're starting to tick up again. On the hour, we are up. And we're just down 2.61 at the moment. It's about half of our gains yesterday. Right, MULLEN, this is the big news of the day. It could be a big pump day today. I've got myself 1,000 shares, and let's set our stop loss soon. It's too early to set it just yet. When I come back from Twitch, it leaves the window and shows YouTube chat looking the same. I'm not sure what you mean there, Bill. You can have 2 tabs open at once. When I come back from Twitch, it leaves the window and shows YouTube chat looking the same. Well, yeah, the chat is the same. The chat is the same because we share it. The chat on YouTube is the chat on Twitch, Facebook, Instagram. It's the same everywhere because I share all the streams, share all the chats. They appear everywhere. That's how it works. Yeah, the chat's the same wherever I am streaming to. All right, MULLEN is up now, 8.94. We're watching it this morning for an opportunity to make some money when everything else is down at the moment. Who is in MULLEN this morning? Why am I in MULLEN? What's going on? Let me share with you the information that I've had from Peru. It broke last night. Let me get into the trades and I'll the Discord and I'll show you. It was in Peru's top tips. Let me have a little look. Where is it? There it is. And MULLEN, big day today. Yes, indeed. That's why I'm in. You need to be in now. You haven't got much more time. It is me, Dr. Nathan Smith. Naz, I am in MULLEN. Yes. Dr. Nathan Smith, hello. For some reason, I can't see everybody's icons this morning. Don't know why that is. But Naz, it's me, Dr. Nathan Smith. Awesome stuff. How are you? Good morning to you. It's a shame I haven't got anyone's icons on the screen today, but that's just the way it is. Anyway, let me share with you why we're excited about MULLEN today. Let me share with you why. This is the news. MULLEN, automotive CEO, to be featured on Ben Seeger All Access Series. Now you know what happens when this happens. Normally, the stock pops. Normally, it lasts for a couple of days. And normally, it goes back down again afterwards. This stock is virtually gambling, I have to say. The company might be great, and they come on and say great things, but it appears, it feels like whenever they say something, it's as if they know what's going to happen. Let's go on telly, let's say something, stocks go up, we make money, and then they sell it down again. It looks very scammy. I'm not saying it is. I'm not saying the company isn't great. We don't know yet. They haven't produced hardly anything. But at the end of the day, they are very good at getting on the TV and promoting the stock. So here we go again. It's another day for it. So let's see what happens. We're in the stock right now. We're in MULLEN. We're holding it on. We're going to set a stop loss in a minute. I've got 1,000 shares of it. I'm up at the moment 1.1%, 15 bucks. But we're expecting a 30-40% pump today, and that could make me about $300-400, and I will happily sell it at that point. All right. Okay. MULLEN is gambling. There you go. There you go. Peru is put right there. MULLEN is gambling. Look at DSX. DSX. I'll have a quick look for you, Naz. Dr. Nathan Smith, it's great to have you here, by the way. Great to have you here. It's cash giveaway Friday today. We always give away. I always give away a $10 cash prize today. Sometimes Peru surprises us. But today, at the moment, it's just myself, the $10 cash giveaway. If you've just tuned in, subscribe, ring the bell. If you want to be part of the show today, it's always cash giveaway on Friday. It's free to enter, free for all. You have 6 chances. Life's a gamble. Yeah. Wake up every morning hoping that you're going to be alive, right? Let me just clear my dock away. There we go. It is, what was I going to say? I can't remember. My mind's gone blank. Anyway, MULLEN is still coming up at the moment. We're up 1.13. The overall market is still going down. There we go. The overall market is still going down. Is this the early morning pump, or is this what Market Profit predicted? He said the bearish run, and then he said the bearish run was cancelled. But he's always been saying that the stock is going to crash 30% or more. So some people in the stock market say it will, some people say it won't. Did anyone see BSV last night? Maybe it's the Martyn effect. Yeah, I'm happy to wake up. No one gets out alive. Are we in the end times? Who knows? Is World War III about to start? Who knows? Not even worth worrying about, is it? Ethereum, Bitcoin, and let's have a look. BSV is down 3%, up 13% in total. So I'm holding my BSV as I am the other crypto as well. All right, now then. If you want to be in today's cash prize giveaway, all right, click subscribe, ring the bell, thumbs up the video. So how do you win today? There are 6 chances. You've got plenty of time, got an hour and a half before we do it. There are 6 ways you can win, 6 chances to win. There are 6 videos, all a minute and a half long. All right, every time you watch one of them all the way through and leave the comment green, you will be in the draw. All right, here is video number 1. Bill, I tell you what, he's got loads of chances of winning. He's watched several of these videos several times, so he's got a lot of tickets in the draw. But there you go. But we've only got 6 people who have done it, though. 6 people that actually have entered the draw. There's video number 2. Leave a comment green. Here's video number 3. Leave a comment green. You can enter all these. If you want to, you have to watch it all the way through, though. If you just put a comment and try and scam it, it won't count. I'm giving everyone 6 chances to win. The reason for doing that is to reward our most loyal fans who most want to support the show, and also who most want to win the money. So there you go. There are 6 chances. All right. Okay. So how much for me taking profits at $15? So how much for me taking profits? Well, the other day I was given a good tip, wasn't I, to sell my shares, and I did. I did do it. But anyway, MULLEN is just holding at the moment 8%. Nothing fantastic yet. I couldn't sleep, so away I went. Yes, indeed. Vanguard SNP is down at the moment. Virgin Galactic is down, but I'm still up 2.5%. Japan has passed a landmark law clarifying the legal status of stablecoins. It's part of a 5-year effort to protect consumers investing in crypto. That's very good to see. Paul B, thank you very much for posting that information for us. Thank you very much indeed. Very useful. Tesla is down today. The reason why Tesla's down, but I'm still up 3%, Tesla is down today because... Elon Musk has said he's going to fire 10% of his workforce. He predicts a downturn in the economy. And we all know how Elon Musk likes to drive the stocks all over the place. What's the MULLEN news? The MULLEN news. Here we go. I'll bring it up. I'll bring it up for you right now. 11:30. Here it is. It's over on Discord, but I'll share it with you right now. Uganda Wildlife Society. Hello, greetings from Uganda. I am Dr. Niobe Priscilla, the Executive Secretary of Uganda Wildlife Secretary, a non-for-profit conservation. Thank you very much. It's lovely to have you here. Zach, is this one of your friends? Is this one of your friends? Anyway, this is the good news for the CEO of MULLEN today. So that's good news. We are looking out for it. We're excited about it. We know what normally happens with MULLEN, so protect your losses. Elon is the new Trump. Markets affected by a single tweet. BSV to the moon will bring CRO to the moon too. All right. So Zach, is this person here, Dr. Niobe Priscilla, one of your friends? Someone said that Elon is using an excuse to get rid of those employees who only want to work from home. Yeah, I've read that as well. Anyway, let's have a quick cup of tea. Okay. Cash giveaway Friday. Always cash giveaway on a Friday. We're down 2.77. We've given away half of our gains from yesterday so far. She has a badge. Ah, yes, you're right. It's a member. That probably is that might be Zach. Is that Zach? Is that Zach then? Maybe signed in with a different account. No, you can't sign in with a different account. He could change his name though. But I thought Zach was here earlier. Right at the top of the show. Yes, he was. Development Alert Uganda. Yeah, I wonder if that's a new member. Yes, Martin, I just got a new member. Oh! And become a member? Wow, we've got... Is that a new member just joined? Well, that's fantastic. That's fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. Now then, let me reopen the comments a minute, because I'm not getting anyone's logos, which is frustrating. Window. Comments. No, it's not loading the comments. She is a silver member. When did that happen? When did that happen? Well, that means she is entitled to a fundraiser event, a 20-minute fundraiser event. Have you explained all the benefits? When did that happen? I didn't get any notification in the chat that happened. That's great news. We want to support her. We want to raise money for their charity. She did it today. Oh, well, that's incredible. We've just got a new member, a new silver member, everybody. And we want to welcome this person in. I apologise that we didn't get an alert, which is frustrating. Normally I get an alert but it hasn't given me the alert today for some reason. These things happen sometimes. But that's frustrating. We absolutely want to celebrate that. And we'll also add a 20-minute set to that fundraiser. Yes. Oh, CMV Studio will back you as well. CMV Studio will continue the love, continue the promotion, continue the fundraising on his channel as well. How cool is that? Extra benefit. Is that a new perk then, is it, Tom? If someone becomes a member of my channel, they get onto your channel as well. I mean, why not, eh? It's a good cross-promotion there for everybody. Everybody wins. That's the philosophy of our channel. Right. Very, very nice. Great stuff. Well, would everybody please welcome our guest in from Uganda then, who's just become Ugandan Wildlife Society. And let's remember, guys, this is so, so important. They become members. They are paying members. They are paying the same as you and to support our channel. And in return, we want to pay them back 100 times with fundraising. So it's absolutely wonderful that we've got another member here, Dr. Niobe Priscilla. So would everybody please, please, please welcome Dr. Niobe Priscilla. Let me put your comment here on the screen. My name is Martyn Lucas. This is my TV studio here in Texas. Let me give you a wave. And we've raised over $1 million for charities here in the studio. And it's lovely to have you here. I'm actually from the UK, Cornwall in England, but I'm actually in Texas right now. And we welcome you to the party. Would everybody please put your cities and countries in the chat, please? We can use the new YouTube feature to share the crowd. Yes, that's right. That's right. Martin, I hypnotized Paul B for BSV last night on Discord. Private talk, Bitcoin education 101. Love it. Love it. Fantastic. Because I am the real Satoshi. Did everybody realize that? I keep joking about it. No one believes me, right? And the more I say it, the more silly it sounds, but the more real it is. I keep telling people, would the real Satoshi please stand up? Say please stand up. Say please stand up. Would the real Satoshi please stand up? Nakamoto. I create a channel, the Day Trader channel, the Day Trader channel, the Day Trader channel. We raise millions of dollars for our charities around the world. Hey, would the real Satoshi please stand up? That's enough. Tom P said that's enough. I thought it was good. There you go. That's enough of that. Welcome from London, Ali Tisro. Hey boss, heard you was at London at the London events. Ali Tisro, yes, we had Ali Tisro live on the show. He called in. Ali Tisro, we had video from him sent in. Absolutely brilliant, absolutely great. London too, Robert Rose. Robert Rose is one of our fans the other day, became a gold member. Robert Rose is a gold member. Folks, we've got more members now than we've ever done. We've got more fundraisers planned than we've ever done. It's great. The channel is growing faster than it's ever done before. 3,269 subscribers. We are just 23 days away from our first anniversary. And we're very, very excited about it. June 27th. Big celebration on the channel. 1 year old that day. All right. We are doing a cash giveaway today. It's a $10 cash giveaway. Martin, you are not a Satoshi because Satoshi has lots of hair per Bitcoin white paper. How do you know? How do you know for sure? I'm pretty good at technology. I know what I'm doing. I've developed the fastest, most engaging, growing YouTube channel on YouTube. Maybe I am Satoshi. I'm just saying. And the more I say it, the more ridiculous it sounds, the more people think, nah. Originally from Niger, now in Glasgow, Tom B. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Right, if you want to be in the cash prize draw, click subscribe or ring the bell. It's a great day today. We've got a lot of opportunity in the market. This is the day that everything should, as predicted, should now drop down 20-30%. Half the analysts say we're about to get a hurricane and destroy the American economy. Half say that's ridiculous. I am saying it's unlikely. So I am right in the middle. What on earth would make you want to go to Glasgow? I've played at the Glasgow Theatre Royal. Love Glasgow. I've done 2 theatres: the Theatre Royal and the what was it called? Not Ebenezer. There's a theatre across the road from the Theatre Royal. Not Abramovich. It's something like the Alhambra. The Alhambra Theatre, I think it is. Yeah, Alhambra, I think it is. Nicholas Murray, I don't care either way. If it dips, I buy. If it pumps, I'm out. Save for the dip. I've always wanted to go to Niger and Glasgow. There you go. I've been to both. I've done 195 countries when I toured as the World Piano Man. Hence the title. Been everywhere. Okay, MULLEN is up 7.32. The good news is coming at 11:30, right? Set your stop loss for it. I have never seen been as bullish on a stock as space. Once they have their Delta fleet, their annual revenue will be in the billions. Current market value, 2 billion. Rob Brennan, once they have their Delta fleet, their annual revenue will be in the billions. Yes, I have been saying. By the way, I forgot to mention, no one said a word today. No one has said a word today. And I'm flipping gobsmacked. Does anyone know what I'm talking about? Does anyone have any idea what I'm talking about? Or even care what I'm talking about? I'm just going to ask you, I'm going to give you a minute. Does anyone even know what I'm talking about? Talking about SPCE. Congratulations. Thank you very much. Bloody right. I'm thinking, seriously? Seriously? What's going on? How come no one's even mentioning it? I was getting very annoyed here for a minute. Last night on YouTube, I became the #1. Now I'm sure if you refresh it now, it might have gone again. Because I'm #1, but I'm a very weak #1. These channels have been around for years and so on and so forth. But I peaked at #1, and I'm going to fight to stay there. I'm going to fight harder than anyone, and I'm going to try and then reach other search terms. If I can rank #1 in the world for SPCE stock, I then want to start ranking for Virgin stock. I then want to start ranking for the Golden Nugget stock. That's way off the charts, but that's what I want to do. Anyway, so last night that happened. All right, that happened. You can see it. That's the search on YouTube. That isn't me making anything up. That is the actual web page of YouTube. Now that'll come and go because I'm only just holding it. I'll disappear between 1 and 2 and 3 and backwards and forwards, but I hit #1 and I'm going to fight to stay there. So anyway. Thank you for all of you that watched that actual video. That video is now up to 87 views, and I might actually give a special prize today for that. Do you know what? I'm going to give a second cash giveaway today. I never do this. I never do this. I never do it. If I get, I'm going to do it. Okay, here we go. I'm going to give a second cash giveaway today. All right. We'll have a second prize today. Okay, so it is, here is the video. And the comment is, we love SPCE. A sentence with we love SPCE. Okay, I'm going to do it around about the same time as the other competition. Going to give another cash prize away. And here it is. Here's the video. So if you want to go and watch it, it's, how long is it? How long is it? It's a nice short one, I hope. It's a short, is it a short one? Yes, it's a minute long. It's not very short. Perfect. Here it is. We love space in the comment. I will do a second cash giveaway. There it is. Is that coming up? We love space. There it is. There it is. Okay, we love space. All right. You have 2 spots in my browser, 1 and 2. Brilliant. All right, 1, 2, and 5 for Space Docs from the UK. Awesome. But don't confuse. You have to understand how it really works, though, right? If you are signed in as yourself, it'll always suggest me first. You need to be incognito, so it doesn't know who you are. You need to search for the search term. There's many criteria to qualifying for that. I didn't just say it straight off the bat. I needed to make sure that actually it was right, because the other YouTubers will look at it and go, no, you're not right. It's very important that you are incognito and you are refreshing your browser. Then you really are number 1 for the search term, okay? So anyway, if you want an extra chance to win my second cash prize giveaway, I'm going to do 2. All right, this is the video. We love space is a comment. Watch it all the way through and leave a comment and a like. There you go. And it's a minute long. And you can have a second chance of a giveaway today. All right. Okay. Let's get back to MULLEN, see what's going on. It's holding at the minute, waiting for the news, 11:30. So maybe we need to stay on for that. Vanguard S&P is down at the moment. Virgin Galactic is down at the moment. Everything is down at the moment. Okay, we need to hear from our sponsors very quickly. Martyn, hire a team of researchers. They could get your channel grow by helping you develop some new longer videos. Yes, it's longer videos that I need. There's a lot of work I've got planned. I want to be the best YouTube channel in the world. I'm concentrating on that, not being the biggest. The biggest will become by just being the best. And I've got a lot of plans for Virgin Galactic. I can't be here today, Martyn, sorry. Mike has got to disappear. Mike, lovely to hear from you. Thank you ever so much indeed for popping by. I plan to buy 2 new stocks today. Currently I'm holding Walmart and Space after restarting my entire portfolio. Any suggestions on what to buy other than VU? Other than VU. CMV is back. I would be inclined to get Tesla, to be honest with you. I think Tesla's one of the best stocks you can buy. And again, we are down today 4%. So yeah, I'm all in with Tesla if you're not looking for VU, but remember VU's got Tesla in it. Rivian's coming up. We're getting a bit of an upturn now. Here we go. Rivian's also good. Lucid's also good. I mean, basically, you know, don't listen to anyone on YouTube. Listen to let me show you what I'm actually buying, you know. Test Google, absolutely Google. I mean, look, this is my actual money, my actual stocks. You know, why would I promote something I don't believe in? You know, obviously what I'm buying is obviously what I believe in. I'm thinking to buy a Lucid car. Hello. Check out Peru. I don't know about Tesla anymore. Elon acts like a drama queen in middle school. Not great. I agree with you on that. But the Tesla is bigger than Elon. I know what you're saying. Elon Musk is Tesla. It is a concern. I'm right with you on that. I get what you're saying. What did... oh, hang on. We're 8 o'clock now. Just gone. I need to run a quick commercial. Here we go. Okay. I agree. Peru. What did Peru say? I'm thinking about buying a Lucid car. Okay. So we're watching the stocks down. We're down 2.85. We've given up half of our gains from yesterday. MULLEN is holding. Vanguard S&P is down 1%. True, he treats his companies like a game sometimes, which is worrying. I agree with that totally. But then he's a genius. This is the erraticness of a creative genius, I'm afraid. You can't have both. You have a CEO who's all politically correct, you know, not that innovative, very conservative, whatever. A typical CEO, an accountant, a money man. And then you get a creator that can change the world. And that's the difference. That's what you're in with Elon Musk, I'm afraid. For good or bad. For good or bad. Lucid. I can't... I have seen the same commercial from YouTube for the last 6 days, and it's getting annoying now. It's on every video I see. What is it? What is it? How to be a better DJ? What's the video you're seeing? Going to DJ school, probably. I don't know. What's it? Oh, I'm having some fun with him, and Elon is still a hero. Yeah, he is in my book. He is in my book. We're giving Tom a hard time this morning, aren't we? All right, let's have a little look. Let's have a look. So, has anybody watched the video yet? 87 views. Let's have a little look. We're going to do 2 cash giveaways today. Let's have a look. Let's see if it got any more. Whoa, 20 likes. Okay. A lot more people came in and watched and liked. We love space. Robert Rose, we love space. So there we go. This who's just done it. This is our extra giveaway today. So we've got Robert Rose, we've got Paul, we've got Bill, Tom B. There we go. These are the new comments. Only 3 people have actually entered that. So there you go. That's interesting. 1 in 3 chance of winning the cash prize today. Wow, that's the best ever chance you've ever had. So if you've not yet entered that one, that's a second cash giveaway. We have 2 cash giveaways today. There it is. There it is. There is the We Love Space on that video. Watch it all the way through. Only 3 people have done it. We don't... when don't you give me a hard time? Yeah. Where's my comment? I commented on that. Let me have a look. Sort by newest first. Sort by newest first. Hang on a minute. Let me show you. And Hamish. So newest first. Bill, Tom, Paul, William, Zen, Robert Rose, Hamish. There we go. There you are. There you go, Hamish. There you are. You're in the draw. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, it's gone up now. 9. There we go. It's gone up a little bit. Good stuff. Anyway, I don't use that to count it. I've got the technology, the software that does it for me. I don't have to go down and count and check and stuff like that. It just does it for me, all right? So anyway, right, okay, the overall portfolio, we're starting to get a little upturn now. Is this the beginning of the upturn? You can see we've had quite a dramatic sell-off this morning, but we are coming back up again. There we go. That's where we are right now. Just starting to uptick, upturn. I always wonder what the term is. Is it uptick, upturn, go up, positive, go green, go black? I have done it, but it don't show. It does now. CMV, I'm predicting another pump today. Paul says I'm predicting another pump today. Well, let's hope so. That's what we want, isn't it? Vanguard S&P is moving up now. Everything's behaving like we are about to get a pump. Right, Tesla, opportunity to get in today. If we get a pump, we're down 4%. You could just trade it and make some money on the way up. That's what I would say. Every time there's some bad news about Tesla, it has no effect. No effect at all. It drops back down and comes straight back up again. So if you want to get some Tesla today and trade it, there's an opportunity right now. All right, no question about it. I'm not buying any more, though. I'm fully invested. I'm waiting for bigger dips, and if they don't come, it doesn't matter. I've got enough invested to make the money I need. I'm not greedy, not trying to time the market. UWS, hopefully the numbers will grow. The Tesla 1D graph looks like their logo. Let's have a look. Oh, yeah. The Tesla 1-day graph looks like their logo. Not far off. I'll give you that. Upside down, though, but I'll give you that. Very well spotted. Yeah, very, very good. I like that. All right, Rivian popping up again. The overall markets are trying to push back up again. All right, we've had our sell-off this morning. We're preparing for the morning pump. Let's hope we get it. All right, now then, if you want to be in the draw today, have you smashed the like button? Only 16 likes, which means 8 of you won't be in the draw. Part of what you got to do is like the video. If you want to be in our cash giveaway, are you a subscriber to the channel? And have you liked the video? So subscribe, ring the bell if you haven't already done so, and give us a thumbs up. Give us a thumbs up, and you will be in our prize draw. 17 likes. Right. Let's get the Mr. Mini-Me on the screen. Here we go. Let's get to it. Here he is. Smash the like button. 18 likes. 18 people want to win some money. 19 people want to win some money. Loving it. There's 22 watching. Is my mic on? Yeah, my screens are looking good. Over on TikTok, we've got a cash giveaway today. Yeah, we've got 2 cash prize giveaways. Chicky, 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 you bat bow. Chicky, 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 you ooh. Alright, that'll do. That'll do, donkey. That'll do. That'll do, donkey. That'll do. Right, let me end that. There you go. Very, very good. Everybody's in now. Not bad, not bad, not bad. 20 likes. Alright. Not bad at all. Right, now, MULLEN. MULLEN stock is the one that's pumping today. So we're looking at it. We're going to see what happens. We are giving away a cash prize today. So it's free to enter, free for all. We have 2 cash prizes. We have the We Love Space one. Here it is. You got an hour and 5 minutes to enter. Watch it all the way through. Leave the comment, We Love Space, and like the video. And if you want to win the other competition, we have you have 6 chances to win the other cash prize. We have 2 today. And here it is. Here's number 1. You can only watch one video if you want to, or you can watch and like and comment to all 6. You have a 6 times the chance of winning. And they're only a minute and a half long. You have to watch them all the way through. If you don't watch them all the way through, you won't be counted. And leave a comment including the word green after it. And that happens in an hour and 4 minutes from now. We have 2 cash giveaways today. Absolutely great. There you go. Looking good. All right. Paul B. Multiple crypto exchanges in different countries now making staff redundant. All of the same opinion. Markets will continue to go down. There we go. We get into negativity in the crypto space about markets going down. It's split. The market, the opinion is split. Some people say yes, some people say no. Some people believe that Vladimir Putin will soon no longer be with us. Somebody will pop him off and the war will suddenly come to an end. And if that happens, the markets will go up 30% in a day. Forget 30% down, 30% up in a day. That will happen if the war suddenly comes to an end. Got to be wary of that. That could happen. Imagine that just suddenly happens. It could. It seriously could. Who's the day trader guy? Spam in the chat. Who's the day trader guy? Yeah, who's the day trader guy in the chat? I don't know. Nothing to do with me. Never seen him. Wasn't even there. Right, okay. MULLEN is up and it's just going sideways right now. Mods, please mute the day trader guy. I don't think anyone can mute me, can they? Can anyone mute me? That would be interesting. So I get banned from my own channel. I don't think that's possible. I hope YouTube haven't put that into the system. A moderator can ban you from your own channel. That would be interesting. Anyway, we've got just over 15 minutes to go. The big news from MULLEN today, basically, the CEO is talking on Benziga. Why is that a big news? Well, obviously, they've got stuff to talk about, but the big news isn't what they've got to talk about. It's the fact they're on Benziga News. And when they're on Benziga News, typically, historically, what happens is the stock pumps for 2 days. That's what happens. Now, it is gambling. It is. It's a stock that can go equally down, but it's what happens. So, it's worth noting. That's all we're saying. Who's in? I know Fusion 301 is in at $3. I came back in again at 133. Down very, very slightly. But the news will come at 11:30. It might drop on the open, but I think then it will pump up. And we're looking for a potential 30-40% pump. That is a potential. And I will set a 5% stop loss, and I will just trade it up. Now, I haven't got set my stop loss at the moment, but I'm just waiting. Because at this point, pre-market, we could get the drop, and that's what can happen, and then you'll be out straight away. So, Hamish, if If I could, I would. Yes, I agree. They are spamming. Yeah, you can't, can you? Right, let me see. Is anybody over there on... Oh, yes, fantastic. We got three. Thank you for the 3 people today that are over on Twitch. I need an average of 3 people a day on Twitch to get my affiliate badge. We do it. Well, why we want you to also be on Twitch, not abandon YouTube, but have a separate tab for Twitch, is I'm trying to get an affiliation and get promoted, and that promotes YouTube. Everything is promoting YouTube. My success on TikTok, Twitch, Facebook, all these places. So if you want to support me on Twitch, just open a second tab. I need 15 more followers. That's all. I've got 35. I need 15 more. That is all. Not very many. All right, there is the there it is. Good morning. Market Profit is here. Market Profit, what do you think today? What do you think? The brokerage platform I use doesn't have MULN. Oh, I'm sorry. Does anybody have any information for MULN? Hamish, where are you in the world? You sound Scottish with a name like that, but where are you in the world? Where are you in the world? And maybe I can help you. Run. Market Profit is here. The Market Crusher is here. Yeah, we all love Market Profit. He's the yin to the yang to the zing to the zong, and he balances us all out. So, Market Profit, you said yesterday that the bearish market had been, the bearish rally had been cancelled. Well, it wasn't happening. Well, we did have the bearish rally, like you predicted originally, and then you said it would drop. So you were right. You just backed off what you said, but you were right. Anyway, market breaking news. Elon Musk sent an email to Tesla saying it's too bad for the economy. Yes, I read that. That's on Twitter. And they should pause all hiring, then lay off 10% of employees. Yes, I heard that. I just take everything with a pinch of salt with Elon Musk. I'm not saying I discredit it, but I'm just saying be wary. You know, he does like to do these things. The graph on the platform only updates every 20 minutes, makes it close to impossible to day trade. Which platform are you using? Elon is like an unstable coin. Yeah, and that's coming from a fan, by the way. Peru Invest is like me. He loves Elon Musk, but we also understand he does like to control the tweets. He's a bit like Donald Trump like that. All right, cash giveaway Friday. Not long now before the bell goes. Very exciting times. We are down at the moment 3%. We've given up 3/4 of what we gained yesterday. MULLEN is the title of the video because MULLEN could pump today 11:30. In an hour from now, we have the cash giveaway. We have 2 cash giveaways today. 2 cash giveaways. Last night, I hope you saw it, I ranked #1 in the world for the search term, SPCE stock. Finally overtaking the Wolf of Dubai with the search term SPCE stock. That is the actual incognito, which is the accurate way to read a YouTube search engine. And there it was. And now to celebrate, I made a video on it. And I might pop in and out of being #1, but I'm going to work hard at holding that position by producing a lot more in-depth work for SPCE. So watch this space. So to celebrate, we're giving away a cash prize. Here is the We Love Space video. It's 1.5 minutes long. You got an hour to watch it. Leave a comment. We love space. All right, there it is. We also have the other videos I've already given you. And that's the second one. Many of you have already entered for the comment green. If you'd want those links, let me know. If you would prefer, just look below here on the channel. These latest videos here. There are the latest 6. This latest 6 from yesterday. All June 2nd ones. All yesterday's videos. These are the ones you can watch and leave the comment green. All right. In the comments. Now then, MULLEN is starting to drop. If you'd set a stop loss, you'd already be out. I don't want to do that because it might drop before the bell and then go straight back up again. So I'm holding it for the minute. The markets are going down at the moment. MULLEN will blip back up again. It's what will happen. Don't be tempted just to buy a dip there. You know, the main movement is going to be going up today. So, but set your stop loss once you've made a profit. That's not my advice. I can't give advice, but that's my plan. What I'm going to do anyway. Right. Cash giveaway is in just under an hour now, 55 minutes from now. We've got 10 minutes to go before the bell. All across the markets, let's have a look. Everything's going down right now. Vanguard, S&P. Market profit, what is your prediction? What do you still feel that we're about to drop and everything's going to go down 20, 30%? What do you feel? Are you still in that mindset? Rivian is trying to push up. Lucid, we're now going sideways. Are we not getting any more? Is it bottomed? Has it bottomed at this point? What's everybody think right now? Amazon, Apple. Everything's going sideways at this point, pretty much. What's everybody feel? I predict a sharp drop at open and a slow rally throughout the day. That's what I feel, because I also use this as a guide, and it's not always accurate. I will tell you that, so why do I even bother? But I do use this. I look to see what the other countries have done. New Zealand. New Zealand is up 0.6 today. All right. Australia opened down and then slowly came up 0.88. The Nikkei dropped and then came up, as you can see, 0.71. Not so good. I mean, Hong Kong has risen, still down, but it rose. We're ignoring, of course, Moscow. The DAX, Germany, opened up, and it's still up, but it's been going down slightly. Not such good news for the FTSE in London. Not such good news for them, but they are down 1%. I'm not saying that this is accurate, but it gives us a sentiment of where the markets are going throughout the world. You know, you can either say we are late to the party or we're early for tomorrow's news. I mean, that's up to you. I mean, you can decide that. FTSE closed today. Oh, is it closed today? Is it? What day is today? Friday. Why is it? Oh, for the Queen. Is it closed for the Queen? Oh, that must be the day before then. It hasn't refreshed. Okay. Okay. Well, then that's encouraging then, because that's the only one I've got concern with. And yesterday. Oh, right. So this is 2 days old then, is it? Okay. The FTSE has been closed for 2 days. Is that because of the Jubilee? New Zealand isn't a very volatile market, and it's so hard to trade in. Most people here invest in the US markets instead. Okay. Well, if we take the FTSE out then, other than Hong Kong and Moscow, so that's what I'm saying. It's not a guaranteed thing, but it's worth noting. That's what I'm saying. It was closed for Jubilee holidays. Okay. I wasn't aware of that. Yes, we are on bank holidays over here. Finance closed as well. Okay. Okie dokie. Right, we're still falling down 3%. We are still ahead of where we were yesterday. You can still see our weeks okay, but we're losing some of our gains. Can you send me the link to your Robinhood? For your Robinhood? I can, but you can't get it in the UK, Tom. So what's the point? You can't get Robinhood in the UK, so what do you want it for? What do you want it for? What are you trying to get that for? But I'll happily give it to you. Where is it? All right, okay. It's under the All Links button. Here he goes. If anybody wants the All Links button, One button takes you to all the stuff. Social media, all the free giveaways, the Amazon cash giveaways. There you go. I'll post it twice so you can see it in the chat. All right. How are you using Robinhood if you live in the UK? I am from the UK, but I'm actually here in Dallas, Texas. That's how I'm doing that. I'm actually from the UK, but I'm actually in Dallas, Texas right now. I have 2 homes, 2 lives, 2 parallel universes. I have a complicated life. All right. Okay. On the day, we're still falling. Michael Saylor at it again. What's Michael Saylor doing today? All right, now MULLEN is falling at the moment. We got 5 minutes to go. All right, quick refresh, quick word from our sponsors. Refresh the screen, everybody. Make sure that you are red. Make sure that you are red and up to date. Egg on his face, incoming. Okay. Everybody make sure you are always red. Let me run the commercial and make sure you're always up to date for the cash giveaways, the day trader of the day competitions, all that other good stuff. Here we go. Okay, you may have seen the ad, you may not. All right. Martyn, have you ever played in New Zealand or Australia on your tours? I played in both countries on a cruise ship parked in the harbours. So didn't land on ground other than getting off at the port and walking around. But I actually did the gigs on the ships, at the ports. So technically I was in the countries. I landed and walked around, but didn't do the gig on land. Did the gig in the port, on the ships, at the ports. I asked you earlier, what's your plans for your channel anniversary? We're still deciding. June 27th. And... June 27th. Any suggestions? Any suggestions? Let me know in the chat, Discord. Let me know. What should we do on June 27th? It's 1 year old. I've sat in this chair providing live shows for you nearly 10 hours a day for a year. And for the first 6 months, earning sod all. And then when I got super chatted and monetized, started earning a couple of bucks a day, and it's slowly growing. So there we go. But yeah, it's been a wonderful, wonderful journey. And now we rank #1 for 1 search term, and we're going to keep on going until we rank #1 for many. All right. Okay. So if you've got any ideas of things you'd like to see us do, play a few songs that are predetermined by requests. Play a few songs that are predetermined by requests by supporters. Okay, that's a good idea. We could do that. We could do that. Play a few songs that are predetermined by requests by supporters. I like that idea. What do you want to hear live on the show? What do you want to hear live on the show? Think of a song. Go to my songbook, pick a song, and yeah. I think you should do shots for $10 super chats. Like on my birthday. That was brilliant. My birthday was one of the highlights. Yeah, I will do that then. That was such a good day. It's the only time I've ever drunk on the show, and it was hilarious. Yeah, June 27th, there'll be drinking on the show. There'll be drinking on the show. Should it be an all-day show as well? Should it be like a marathon show? Go all day. Just sit here all day drinking. No breaks. Just keep going all day. Who votes for that? You could ask for suggestions in Discord or something so that you know the proper supporters, not just people popping into the stream. That's right. Yeah, members only. Members only. That's it. Members only can actually request songs. I like Rocket Man after space earnings. There you go. Right. The markets are still dropping. We've got 1.5 minutes to go. Let's get ready. MULLEN is now coming up. MULLEN, I'm in it. I'm holding it. Waiting for the 11:30 pump. I'm excited. I'm a little bit excited today. This is either going to be crash from hell and we're all going to go down 30%. It's why I'm not all in margin. Or we're going to pick up some great opportunities. Now that your true British person is coming out with the drinking ideas. There you go. Robinhood have postponed the UK launch indefinitely. Indefinitely? No. Where'd you read that from? Here we go. Coming up to the last few seconds. YouTube only allows 12 hours max for a live show. All right. 12 hours it is then. Now your true British personality is coming out. Robinhood have postponed the UK launch indefinitely. No. No. Not indefinitely. Okay, here we go. Get ready to ring the bell. 20 seconds to go. The markets are falling. They're falling. Are we going to get a pump? It's going to go one way or the other. Kind of obvious, really. 15 seconds to go. Smash the like button. Everybody get involved today. Market profit. I've asked him several times. Is it about to crash? I've got no comment. No comment from market profit. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Just ring the bell. All right, we're off to the races. Here we go. We're off. And let's see where we go right now. Nvidia just sold. My Nvidia just sold. My AMD just sold. Let's have a little look at where that went. Right. MULLEN is going sideways. Thank you for that link. Read that link. Thank you very much indeed. That's very, very useful. I will grab that. There it is. And thank you for that, Tom. I've got it. Thank you very much for that. I've got it. I will look at that in a minute. Right, MULLEN. Going sideways. Dropping down. Okay, here we go. Everything's moving down. We've not lost all our gains from yesterday, but we are losing some of them. We've lost 3/4 of it now. Vanguard S&P is going down. I'm still up on it. Virgin Galactic is now coming up. It's above my average. I don't need to buy any more. It's coming up. MULLEN is coming up. Tesla is coming up. Rivian still going down. Still way above my average. Lucid coming up. MULLEN is going. Here it goes. MULLEN is pumping now. Are you in? You had the opportunity to get in this morning. It might drop a few more times. We've got a couple of hours before the announcement. It's going to crash sometime between June 1st and June 16th. Okay, market profit is still committed to this. It's going to crash sometime between June 1st and June 16th. We are the third now. MULLEN is pumping. Now, as soon as you get a decent profit, set a stop loss, guarantee you can't lose any money, and stick with it. CNV Studio, what's that there? The little face you got popped in there. What's that little face? Never seen that before. Where's that come from? Is that over from Twitch? That's a wide range market. Well, it's close enough, Tom. It's close enough. Right, here we go. MULLEN. Right, here we go. Who's in MULLEN? You had the prior knowledge. You had the warning this morning. Here it is. Right, markets are pumping up as well. Right, now then. Set your stop loss as soon as you can, but don't set it too great. I am going to sell MULLEN. I'm not going to hold it forever. We could have a 40% upswing today. We've got a couple of hours, and it normally rides for a day or so after. That's why you want a decent swing. Last time I did this, I had a 15% swing. I put a 15% stop loss in it because I was up 40%. That's how I did it. And I ended up then making a 25% profit because I lost the 15%, right? So that's what we're looking for today. I'm not saying it's going to happen, but you never know. Right, the overall portfolio, it's gone to the live position. You can see it's starting to come up now. MULLEN is trying to push up. Vanguard S&P is coming up. Virgin Galactic is coming up. Tesla is coming up. Remember what I said? Tesla news never drives this stock down for a while. All right, it's a great opportunity to trade. Great opportunity to trade. You could buy a share of Tesla now and sell it on the way up. I'm not buying any more. I'm preparing and holding for the big dip to come. Balance of my portfolio. I've got plenty invested, plenty of money to make money. I don't need to spend any more money. I don't need to use any margin, nothing like that. But if the stocks do go down like market profit says 30%, then I'll be all in. I'm already all in with my cash, but then, you know, we'll get in with selling, cut my legs off. All right. But right now, Tesla is pumping up. Rivian is still going down, still way above my profit line though. I'm 12% up on it. Lucid, it's going up. Arrival going up. Amazon still going down. Stock split days away now. I think it's June 6th, June 10th. I keep forgetting which day it is, but it's a couple of days away anyway. Apple is coming up. Robinhood is now down 4% today. I'm down 1%. Not buying any more. Don't need to. I'm waiting for it to go much lower. Market profit thoughts on owning silver. Good question. Right, Mark, we're up 8% now on MULLEN. I'm keeping it open on 2 screens. Over here, look, you can see it's open as well. MULLEN is up 8%. You can see it bouncing up and down at the moment. Hasn't really kicked off yet. It's opened up for the morning, but hasn't really kicked off yet. We've got the cash giveaway coming up shortly. We've got Robinhood is now down at 9.26. Down 4.5%. We've got McDonald's is up today, 2.6%. Coca-Cola, I'm up on it at the moment. Johnson & Johnson is up today. MasterCard is down slightly. Google is down. Good opportunity to buy Google. Always good to buy Google in my book. Microsoft doing nicely. Nvidia is going down. I took my profit. There. Nvidia. If you want to be in our cash giveaway today, we are doing a cash giveaway live on the show. Meta's going down slightly. SoFi is going down 4.6% at the moment. We've not given away all our gains yet. I do think that we'll have a slow green day throughout the day after this sell-off settles down. That's what I think anyway. Walmart is coming up very nicely. Very happy with that. Only 15 followers to go before we can apply. Only 15 away now. Yeah, Tom, it's really great. Yeah. 35 followers now on Twitch. If you can help me out, we're trying to get to 50 followers. Walmart is coming up today. Very nice. Let's get back to the top of our portfolio. Still falling, down 4% now. 35.8. Big drop today. Everything is down. Are you buying in? I'm not buying in. I'm holding for much, much greater losses should that happen. MULLEN is just bouncing around. It won't do anything yet until that news comes out. We've got a couple of hours yet. In fact, we've got 3 hours before that comes out. But we are up, starting to prepare for it. Vanguard S&P is down 1.22. You have to question how much demand has dropped if Elon is prepared to lay off 10% of his entire workforce. Maybe it could be to do with they're making the factories more efficient, and maybe they're able to downsize and do more with robots. Have you considered that one? With the AI robots around the corner, maybe there's more being done by human beings. But by machines. Just a thought. Has anyone heard of TECL? The idea of technology ETF seems good, but it hasn't been performing well recently. I need to look into particular which companies to buy into. Hamish, no, I'm not familiar with that one. Maybe share the information on Discord, get some more help over there. I'm going back to YouTube. Nikki775. Who's Nikki775? Hello, Nikki. Hello. Nikki, let me put your name on the screen. Hello. How are you? Thank you for the follow. Who's Nikki YG775? I'm going back to YouTube. Thank you very much indeed. If you want my YouTube link, I'll give it to you right now. Thank you very much indeed. Hang on a second. Here you are. This is for the benefit of one of our Twitch followers this morning. There you go. There you go. There is the Day Traders Show. That's where we are. Thank you for the follow. 36. There's 14 to go. Fantastic. We're very, very close now. Sold space at 7.30. Yes, they bought back at 6.98. Very, very good. Let's go back. Up 700 by shorting AMC. That's me, Nicholas Morello. Fantastic. Thanks, Nicholas. 36 followers now. We're nearly there now. Just 14 more to go. Right, the stocks are still falling. Now we've nearly wiped out everything we gained yesterday. In fact, we're up 2.5% on the week. We're getting close now to wiping everything out that we gained. That's quite normal at the moment in this bearish market. As long as we can make it back again, it doesn't really matter. Why the sudden dip? Lester Thomas. Well, you can either believe that the markets are going down 30%, market profit does, between now and the 16th of June, any day, any moment. That's what he predicts. And a lot of analysts feel the same. I don't feel the same. And many, many people agree with me, don't feel the same. They believe that inflation has peaked. And there's many reasons to suggest that. MULLEN, here we go again. Set your stop loss as soon as you can. Right. We're starting to look for green shoots. Are we going to get anything that's going to pop up this morning? Tesla. Could be worse than 30%. Bloody hell, that would be... I mean, we've already lost like 30% on my stocks, over the 40% over the last 3 months. Lose another 30%, and you're saying more. My God, that really is apocalyptic. Who knows? Stocks only go up. That's right. They only go up. Only go up. Long term, good companies only go up. Yeah, long term, they do over time. Arrival down today. Everything's down. This is not one particular stock at all. Nothing's really doing anything other than MULLEN. MULLEN's doing all right, up 8%, and that's why we're in it today. And we're going to put a stop trail loss in a minute, and we're going to ride that down. We sold our NVIDIA this morning, and we also sold our AMD this morning as well. The Bank of Canada announced yesterday that they might have to be more aggressive in fighting inflation, and they say inflation is accelerating, not slowing. I think it's important to remember cash in the bank is burning 8% a year from inflation. I absolutely agree. I feel it's best to have your money in the market. That's always been my theory. If it's money you don't need to pay the bills, and you can leave it there, and you can wait, and you can give it time. That's what I'm doing. That's my strategy. So it's good to be invested in stocks. I believe so. That's my theory. And throughout history, through all the wars we've had, things go up and down. We have crashes and they recover. So time in the market is very difficult. Long-term investing has always proved overall to be more profitable. Ask any investor, they'll tell you that. The facts are the facts. Rob, most people lost 30 to 40% since the beginning of the year, and I'm one of them. I have gained 6% sitting in cash since February. Very different. Everyone's situation is different. Market profit has a lot of cash. We don't. We are in a different cycle. Everyone's on a different cycle. We haven't got money in cash to earn 6%. We don't have that amount of money to be able to put in an account that will pay us 6%. You have to have a certain balance to get 6%. You might have to have 100,000 or maybe more. You can't earn 6% on 50 quid in the bank. You ain't going to get it. All right? It doesn't exist. So for the rest of us who haven't got the money that market profits got, we have to invest and make money, and then we can take our money out and put it in dividends and put it in the bank. So, there you go. And I know firsthand, Rob, you're talking about the losses. Market profit hasn't had the losses. I have. I've lost nearly all my money over the last 3 months. Look. There you go. I was up to 68 grand. We're now showing 35. I've lost 38%. 38% due to the war and inflation, things beyond my control. But I've buying the dips lower and lower and lower and lower and lower. So when things turn up, I'm going to explode. MULLEN is pumping. Are you in? MULLEN is up now 10%. All right. Stop loss time coming in. Not there yet. Yeah. Well, market profit is in a different cycle. It's not he's luckier than us. He's worked hard. He's invested wisely, but he's at a different cycle. And I hope to be where market profit is in 10 years' time, when my portfolio is worth 200,000 and I can be safe and I can protect from losses. I can go, look, I've got 200 grand. I don't need to take risks. I don't need to grow my portfolio. I'm going to take my money out of my stocks and put it in a 6% bank account because banks will pay me 6% because I've got 200,000 to invest. And I can sit on the sidelines, and that's absolutely right. And when the markets stop selling off, I'll buy back in again. But I'm not at that cycle right now. I haven't got that money. I've got to grow my money. So there we go. MULLEN. Who is in MULLEN this morning? MULLEN is pumping now, up 12%. Is 200,000 the end goal then, Martyn? Yes, because I have no car loan, I have no debts, I own my own house. I've got a state pension, or I will have when I'm 65. I'm 53 now, which in England, we're retiring back in England. I'm a simple guy. I just want to walk to the pub on a Sunday, walk to the beach, go and see King Camelot's castle in Tintagel, nip down a Truro on the free bus, free healthcare as we get in the UK. We have £200 a year car insurance, £200 a year house insurance. We don't have the bills like we do in America. I don't need a lot of money. So 200,000 in my portfolio, which I should easily be at within the next 2 years. I will start moving more and more into dividend stocks, more and more safe stocks, won't be looking at growing anymore, and more then will come into the bank account, and more will earn 6%. And my dividends will pay 10% a year, and I can live until I die, and that's fine. I won't be the richest man in the grave. I don't really care. I won't be able to afford cruise ship holidays, but I will be able to walk to the pub, have a pint on a Sunday, and I'll be fine. And I am very, very happy with that. And that's all I want to do. I'm not trying to beat anyone. All I'm trying to be is number one on YouTube. There you go. I have kids, so I need to be aggressive with my investing. I'm only 25, so hopefully pays off long term. Rob, you're in a completely different situation. I own my own house. At 25, I had lots of debt. I had a mortgage wrapped around my neck. You are in a different position. And when you're 53, you'll be where I am today. And market profit, in time, I'll be where market profit is. We all have our own way of doing things and our own cycles. Music festival at Cider Farm on a 3-day drink fest. Very nice, Tom. Right, we're up 13% now on MULLEN. I'm up 4% now. So, here we go. Am I going to start setting stop losses? I can take my profit right now and walk away. You're number one in my books, Martyn. Well, thank you very much. I'm number one on YouTube now for the search term. Get in. There it is. That is the actual YouTube page, incognito, for the search term SPCE stock. And my target is to be number one in the world for the word stock. And if I did that, I would beat every financial channel in the world and I would have millions of subscribers. And that is my aim, because if you aim for the stars, you're bound to hit the moon. That's the way I look at it. All right. Okay. Now then, we are starting to get the markets recover. Not much, but on the live, you can see it starting to tick up. All right. We had the morning sell-off. MULLEN is pumping. Are you in MULLEN? Let me see who's in MULLEN this morning. Let me know if you're in MULLEN. If you invest $500 a month and earn 6% a year, you'll have $1.2 million in 32 years. There you go. There it is. But you can't get 6% a year until you have a balance of a considerable sum. And whatever bank that is determines what that is. But it's a lot more than I've got right now. But not as much as market profit has right now. We're all on a cycle. All right. We've got the cash giveaway coming up in 25 minutes, is it? 25 minutes. Yeah, 25 minutes. 25 minutes. Mike is already bought and sold. Very good. We love spec. Why did you sell before the news is out? Anyway, here is the We Love Space video. If you want to, this is celebrating me becoming #1 for the search term SPCE stock. If you watch it all the way through, I'll put it in the chat. You can be in a cash prize draw today. There it is. I'll post it 3 times. There you go. See it? You've got to watch it all the way through. It's only a minute and a half long. Watch it all the way through. Leave a like and also leave the comment, we love space. I made a few bucks. Well, that's good. A profit's a profit. I have 5,100. Robert Vergen, good morning to you, sir. This is my SPCE stock. There we go. I have this, I have 1,101. That's all I have right now because I need balance of my portfolio. But you've obviously got a bigger portfolio than me. Robert Vergen has 5,180. Fantastic. You're going to be a millionaire this year, I would imagine. I'm sure, if you're not already. I'm sure you've said before, but what reason are you against shorting? The reason why I don't like shorting, and I've said it many, many times, I'm an optimist. I always battle on. It's not how many times you get hit, it's how many times you can get up. I always carry on. I don't believe in negativity. I don't believe long-term it wins. I believe shorters very often win the battle, but they always lose the war. History will tell you that. Shorters always lose the war. They win many battles, but always lose the war. So that doesn't bode well for me. When you've got innovators, hard-working people, building factories, building products, making things, inventing, working hard to drive forward a company, a technology, an idea, a belief, whatever, they're actually on the face, the work, on the coal face. They're actually at the desk. They're actually at the premises, building, working to create a better future. They're doing everything they can, research, knowledge, to see the markets, to grow a business. Shorters aren't at the factory. They're not making or doing anything. They're people behind a screen. It's like keyboard warriors. They don't build, they don't make, they don't do anything. They just want to get rich by doing nothing. They gamble on a stock going down. So they're going against the entire tide. No, I'm not a man for following the path. I never follow a path. I always write my own. I always have my own ambition. I have my own dreams. I have my own desires. And I have my own thoughts and beliefs, and I follow them. But I never waste my time with trying to bring down what everyone is pushing to do. I find it negative. It's not how I live my life, and I think it's a complete waste of time. And history proves over and over and over and over again that shorters always lose long term. Always. And I just don't like it. I'd rather not live in a world like that. And that's for me. That's how I think about it. Market, I was shorting for the first few months, but I just stayed out. Altogether. I have one large option position left, and also the most important part I never said. Paul said, "Amen." The other thing, what I don't like about shorting is when you're shorting, you're buying contracts. You're not buying anything. You're buying a promise to buy or sell a share, depending on which way around you're doing it. And you're gambling on a prediction of time when a stock will reach a certain amount by a certain date. You're basically reading a crystal ball. And while you're doing all of that and banking on the world going to zero, you're also not owning a damn thing. You're putting your money into a contract, a piece of paper. It's like if I buy a house today for $100, and I buy the house, I own the house. The house goes down in value, my house is worth less. The house goes up in value, it's worth more, and then I sell it. I always own a piece of the pie. I always own a piece of the business. I'm not investing on numbers and dots on screens and trends and memes and hypes and stuff. I'm buying cars at Tesla. I'm buying the tools that make Tesla. I'm buying the people that work at Tesla. I am buying a piece of the pie. And in time, it will go up. In time, it will go down. Hopefully, overall, in time, in the future, it'll go up more than it goes down. And that's how you make your money, right? So, whereas if you buy a contract, that's like giving your attorney, your solicitor, your estate agent, whatever, $100 to promise to buy a house. If it does one thing or another, goes up or down, but you never actually own the house. So when the world comes crashing down and the markets go down, the value goes down, you end up having to sell out, get a short squeeze, whatever. You have to buy in because you never owned a damn thing. You owned a piece of paper. And that to me, I hate to say the word stupid because some very, very intelligent friends of mine short all the time. And they're very rich and they make a lot of money. So they're not stupid, but they gamble against the world and I don't like it. It's not for me, but I wish them all the very best. But I like to own a piece of a company, not own a promise to potentially own a piece of a company. Anyway, here endeth the lesson. Amen, as Paul said. I'm going into the Wendy breakfast for the first time this morning. Happy Wendy. Say hello to Wendy for me, right? It does feel like I'm playing with fire when I short. My blood pressure triples. There you go. What's the point? You end up dying doing it. Remember what I said? You win the battle, but you always lose the war. So maybe you win today, but you end up getting a heart attack. Need to catch up with you about my DSLR as my webcam with Ecamm. All right, Tom, I can sort you out with that. You're way better than Wolf of Dubai. You go straight to the point. Robert Vergen. I love Robert Vergen. Robert Vergen was a fan of the Wolf of Dubai, who was #1 in the world for the search term SPCE stock. He's no longer. And you know why? And if the Wolf of Dubai is listening to me right now, I will tell you why that I am #1 and you are #2. And soon you'll become #3. The reason for it is you started by being all about SPCE stock. You grew a channel, did very, very well, but your growth rate has slowed down because you're spending your time now trying to sell a program like Meet Kevin does. I don't know what this thing about building a YouTube channel, gaining an audience, and then trying to sell them something. I think that's a mistake. I think you need to stick to your product and stick to your niche. Now, I'm giving you advice so you can come back to be #1, but you won't come back now because I will remain #1 because I will stick to the course and I will never deviate. I will never give up and I will always tell the truth. And you've had a great, great channel. I love what you've done. I love the energy you put in, but I don't like, your conviction. You've sold out of the principle and now you're more interested in trying to sell people a training program, how to become a millionaire. And good luck to you. So if it makes you a lot of money, good luck. But the only thing is you've lost you're losing your core audience who just want to follow SPCE stock and not be constantly tried to be sold a program. So it's like being MTV and now all you want to do is not play music, but put sports on. Stick to what you do. There you go. I think it's very important to stick to the audience that made you successful in the first place. Anyway. Fusion, and don't forget, when you short, you can lose an unlimited amount of money. When you are long, you can only lose what you put in. There you go. Exactly. Fusion 301 said it perfectly. Thanks, Martin. Makes sense. There you go. I'm glad you liked it. Oh, LOL. I know that guy from Dubai. There you go. You know him, do you? Do you agree with me? Do you disagree? What do you think? If you're going to short, only do I on getting even more risky. Well, you say it's minimum risk, but much more complicated. You are #1. Very true. Half his videos are now sales pitches. Yep. He's realised he can make money, so he's going with it. The trouble is, if you sell out your beliefs, ultimately, you will lose the war and have nothing to give away at the end of it. The idea is I'm trying to grow a legacy that I can pass on to somebody watching this show right now. Maybe Tom. Maybe Tom wants to be the day trader one day and take over my channel. That's what I'd love more than nothing else. Very true. Half his videos are now sales pitches. Was very insightful, so it's a shame. Yes. Robert Vaughan, #1 in my book, becoming a big fan of you. Robert Vergen, thank you very much indeed. Exactly. There you go. Thank you very much indeed. Stick to your crowd. Give them what they want. Respect the audience. Don't take it for granted. MULLEN is up 13.66% now. I'm up 5.5%. It's pumping. The overall portfolio is coming up. Did you stick the course? There you go. Did you stick the course? Do you believe in what you believe in, or did you just sell out at the first opportunity? MULLEN is now pumping. I'm in. Vanguard is coming up. SPCE stock. I keep adding at the bottom. I don't sell it. I trade it. A few off the top, but I hold it. How can I come on a YouTube channel and tell everybody I love Virgin Galactic when I keep selling it? You know? That doesn't mean to say you don't buy back. Richard Branson sold his shares at one point of Virgin Galactic, and he was right to do so. Don't condemn someone because they do sell. The purpose is you're selling so you can buy back at a lower price. That's nothing wrong with doing that. But I hope that Richard Branson wouldn't ever short his own stock. I'd find that hard to believe. But anyway. Rob Brennan managed to time the bounce on SPC perfectly. Bought back in at 6.98 and now it's past 7.10. Rob Brennan, you're a legend. Rob Brennan, fantastic. Now then, you can see nearly everyone here, nearly everyone is actually a member of our channel. You gain so much more if you are a member of our channel. All right. My membership was built not to make me rich. It was here to support the live shows because I don't make money from live shows. I make money from making videos. And I go live more than any other YouTuber. I'm just guessing. I don't know, but it's probably true. I'm live 4 or 5 hours a day, 5 days a week. I don't think many YouTubers go live that much and don't put that much into it. So if you want to support the live shows, here is the membership. You can be a member from a bronze, silver, gold, sponsor up to investor level. And it was designed not to make me rich. It was designed to help support the channel, but give you 20 times back what you put in. And if you don't agree with that, cancel any time. That's what this channel is about. If you want to support the channel, and if you become a member, what I do is I put you on the homepage of my YouTube channel. I make videos for you if you make me a member. I upload them to your channel. I promote them for you. And I get all my members to watch them during the live show. So, talking of that, we're going to do it for one of our members right now. So, go to my members. Here we go. And I'm going to help one of our members right now. And what this channel is about is supporting all our members. So, we have Bill. Bill is here. Shin Dynasty. He has 99 subscribers. All our members, please now go and subscribe to Bill. Here is his channel. There it is in the chat. He wants one more because when he gets 100, he can go live on YouTube from his mobile device. Really great. There you go. I want to refresh that in 1 minute from now, and I want to see Bill at 100 subscribers. We all support everybody. No one wins unless everybody wins. You ready? Let's go. 1 minute. I'm going to refresh the clock in 1 minute. There must be one person who's not yet subscribed to Bill's channel. Since he's been on my channel, he's gained more subscribers, more views, and we want to continue doing that. You ready? I'm going to refresh it in 40 seconds. You ready? Here we go. I'm going to refresh it in 30 seconds. I want to see 100 subscribers on Bill's channel. He's a war veteran. We've raised money for Bill. We've done good for Bill. Are you ready? 20 seconds to go. I'm going to refresh it in 15 seconds. I wish I could do it more than once. Okay, are you ready? Okay, let's refresh it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Click refresh. Are we going to get to 100? I really hope so. 103! Get in! The best YouTube channel in the world. There we go, Bill. You have 103 subscribers. You've just gained 4% in seconds. That's faster than the stock market is growing. You can now go live on your channel. You can now pick up your mobile device and go live from your mobile. And at 100, you can also custom name your channel. You can give it an actual name rather than be all these numbers across the top, all these funny numbers. You can be Shin Dynasty. You can be youtube.com/, /Shin Dynasty. You can go and change your name and have a custom name. Many, many features you can do and open up when you get to 100. There you go. So, Bill, take advantage of that. That's there for you. We've done that for you. Great. And that's what happens when you are a member. That's one of the perks. There are over 20 perks. Fundraisers. We raise money. We've raised over $1 million in this show for our members for charity events. So we have cash prize giveaways. You get access to all our exclusive channels on Discord. You get, oh, by the way, now we've broken the record for Bill, let's break the record for us. We need one more follower on Discord to get 200. And when we hit 200, we open up extra features for all our members. Here we go. Here is the Discord channel. If you've not yet joined the Discord, we've got our cash giveaway in 10 minutes. There is Discord. It takes 10 minutes to get through because we have the highest level of security. Please do that. Tom, 1,000 was go live from your computer. 1,000 was go live from your computer. You can go live from your phone at 100. At least it was when I was doing it. I don't know if it's changed. That information might have changed, but it was 100 when I was doing it from my phone. I'm pretty sure that's still correct. All right? When Virgin Galactic fly, the share price will. Yeah, I still predict $100 a share when they fly. Absolutely right. The Queen of Celebrating. Did you not know that? Did you not know you could go live? The Queen of Celebrating. I look at your channel every day, and I've got a list of like 30 things that you can do straight away, which will make your channel grow faster than it is. Same with Bill, same with everyone. Most of you aren't doing most of the things that you need to do. If you become a gold member, and you can become a gold member for one month, upgrade and then downgrade to silver again, I will spend 2 hours online with you, one-on-one, going through your channel, auditing your channel, fixing it, telling you what you need to do, showing you what you need to do. Then you go ahead and do it, and then we come back and have another one-on-one and hopefully put all those things in place. Everyone who's got a YouTube channel should take me up on that. I mean, you can't, it's basically $10 an hour. You can't pay a YouTube professional $10 an hour to sit on one-on-one with you and help you. It's not impossible. But that's what I do for my members, because I'm here to help people, right? That's what we're all about. Anyway, if you're not a member yet, or you want to upgrade membership, I've just given you, I'll give it you again. Right. Has everybody entered the competition? We've got just 8 minutes to go. 8 minutes to go before we run the first cash giveaway. We have 2 today. Okay. Okay. MULLEN is up today. We're up 4%. The interview won't come out yet for another 2 hours. This might keep pumping at least till the interview anyway. All right, and what I'll do, I'll set a stop loss soon. I'm just sort of waiting for a minute. In fact, I'm up 3% now. I could set it now, and I could set it at a 5% stop loss, so I'll lose a maximum of 2%. A maximum of 2%. Because I'm not looking for a 5% gain, I'm looking for a 40% gain. At last, finally got my unique URL for my channel. There you go. This is the tips I'm giving you. Look, you've had that for ages, Tom. We just didn't go through it on your channel. Any thoughts on the cannabis stock? Yes, I've got Tilray brands. Here it is. Not that one. Not that one. Where's my Tilray? Where's my Tilray? There's my till rate. Down 3% today. I'm up 2%. Yeah, I've got 224 shares of it. So does that tell you enough? Does that tell you what I think? I've got 224 shares of Tilray. Does that tell you enough? I'm up on it. I've been buying the dips forever. Anyway. MULLEN. Not going to set the stop loss yet. In fact, we're up 11%. If I set a stop loss now at 5%, a maximum I could lose is 2%, which is $20. Maximum I could lose. And the reason for setting 5% is I think this could do 40% today. So I would, I'd be up 40%, and I'd take 5% off that, so I make 35%. That gives me a safe margin. I might even do that now. Yeah. Yeah, I'm going to do that now. So sell MULLEN. Here we go. Sell MULLEN, and trailing stop order percentage 5%. I'm prepared to lose 5%, $20, and I've got 1,000 shares, and I'll put 1,000 shares in. There we go. Expires, good for the day. I'll extend it. Good till cancelled. Right, it'll sell at 130. Most I could lose is $20. Right, most I could lose is $20. I'm allowing a 5% swing, which is absolutely fine. It's not gonna dip that much, and if it does, it protects it. I won't lose any money. Most I can lose is $20. That's fine. Get the money back out, and if it goes up 30%, 40%, and dips 5, I'm okay with that. So there we go. Sell MULLEN, review order. Right. Sell MULLEN at a 5% loss. And most I could lose is $20. There we go. It's cost of business, but the chances are, as the announcement comes out, I'll make a lot more money. There we go. So now I can forget it. I could go and sit on the beach now and forget it and see what happens. All right. Aquatic. Hello, everyone. At what point do you get the unique URL? Once you hit 100. Once you hit 100. I'm not going to give any more free tips away. You've got to be gold members, you cheeky people. I'm giving you... I mean, I've got YouTubers that help me who charge $500 for what I'm doing for a member for free. So stop trying to get me to give you all the information for free. I could tell you how to do your thumbnails, how to edit, how to do your tags, how to do your I've got a list of 30 things. Stop trying to get me to do it for free. Say it in the chat for free. You got to support the channel if you want me to support you. Come on. No one trying to be a cheapskate. All trying to follow Tom's Tom's bloody direction. Don't follow Tom's direction. Tom's already got 3 viral videos out of my channel. Now he's trying to get free advice. What's going on? Just bought 7 shares of Tesla from AMC Profits back on the good team. Nice one, Rob Brennan. Rob Brennan. Let's bring Rob Brennan into the show. He's going to go, no, don't do it. Here it is. Here's Rob Brennan on the show. No. This is Rob McLean. I apologise. Here's Rob McLean.
The best that you can have today is to join the Martyn Lucas show. Make yourself some money and have fun with a great group of friends at the same time. Go for it.
There you go. And here's Peru. What's the best channel in the world?
Currently, your channel is something unique that I like about, because you're helping people. You relay excellent information and real information and no hype at all. That's why I like your channel.
There you go. Here's Tom, CNB Studio.
Best YouTube channel in the world. It's great family, great support all round, not just for Martyn's channel, but for every channel that you guys come and watch. So that's why you need to be part of the Day Trader family.
There you go. What about Sam? You want to see the latest one? Here we go.
Hello, my name is Sam Hughes, and I pretend to be Sir Elton John for a living. Now, if you want music, if you want the stocks, anything like that, this is the place to be. Follow this man. He's beautiful. He is the Rocket Man. I thought I was. His name is Martyn Lucas. Follow him. He is the Day Trader.
I love it. Nice one, Sam. There you go. You're being a typical DJ. Yeah, he is. He wants everything for free. Boo! Right, okay. MULLEN is pumping up again now, 11.5%. I've got a 5% stop loss in it now, so that guarantees me worst case scenario of losing $20. $20, but the chances are it'll go a lot higher than that, and I'll be out, and I want the money back out, which is fine. I'm more than happy to do that. All right, let's have a look at where we are right now. Got a few stocks recovering. Let me have a look. Let's keep an eye on MULLEN this morning. It's up. It's bouncing around the 10.5%, 11% right now. Martyn Lucas. Yeah, free advice. What's going on here? Become a gold member. Be a decent human being. MULLEN. Up. Vanguard. S&P. Virgin Galactic. We've not yet had the recovery yet. It's Tesla. Great buy right now. Who's in Tesla? Down 6%. Oh, very good. Tesla down 7%. On this news, this will bounce back. This is another opportunity to go back in time. I'm not buying any more. I've got enough. It's above my average. I don't need to buy any more. I'm holding it. I'm not touching it yet. I will buy more if it goes lower. Absolutely. I'm waiting for this 30% drop that that market profit is talking about. If it comes, then great. MULLEN, Lucid is down 4%. Right, it's cash giveaway time. Right, okay, I forgot. Let's see how many people we got. We're now going to give away. We got 2 cash giveaways today. So if you want to be in our cash giveaway, would my army please go over to TikTok a second? Who's my TikTok army? And tell everybody about it right now. Okay, guys, we're about to give away 2 cash prizes, 2 $10 cash prizes for free to enter, free for all. I want nothing from you. There are over 100 people on TikTok pretending to be me. They are not me. All right. I never ask you for a WhatsApp. I never ask you for a Telegram. I never sell you Bitcoin. We are joined every day by secret millionaires, secret angel investors. And we are here right now going to give away 2 cash prizes. It's free to enter, free for all. You need nothing. You don't have to pay anything. You don't have to do anything. It's free for everyone. So if you want to be in our cash prize draw, you've literally got now the last minute. This is it. No more chances. We're about to do it on youtube.com/thedaytrader1. The link's in the profile, youtube.com/thedaytrader1. If you come into YouTube, say, hey, I'm from TikTok. I'd like to be in the cash prize draw. You can be. There are 7 chances now. You can win 2 $10 prizes today. We have 2 cash prizes to give away. I want nothing from you. I don't want you to pay me anything. I don't want you to buy anything. I don't want your Bitcoin address. I don't want your WhatsApp. I don't want your Telegram. I want nothing at all. We're trying to grow the best YouTube channel in the world, way better than Mr. Beast. We give away our real money. This is my real money. This is my real shares live on YouTube right now. So it's youtube.com/thedaytrader1. Follow me on TikTok if you want to. You know I'm the real Martyn Lucas. There are many, many scammers. I have 17,000 followers. I'm always live. I always give people free money. I never ask you for anything. That's how you can tell I'm real. The other guys ask you for WhatsApp, Telegram. They've got no followers and they just make up stories and lies and crap all the time. But we are a real show for real investors, angel investors, secret millionaires, and we love nothing more than helping real people. Real people that want to help themselves. If you're lazy and you can't be bothered clicking a link and come on YouTube, then you're too lazy for me to give you free cash. And trust me, 66% of you on TikTok are. 66% of people who watch my shows are too lazy. And I get hundreds of emails a day saying, would you please give me money? I've got a charity. Would you please give me money? And I go, yeah, just come into my show. I give money away all the time. And they go, I don't want to do that. Just give me free money. And I go, well, you've only got to watch my show and I'll give you free money. No, I just give you free money. I get it every day from lazy people who can't be bothered to get off their asses and get free money. Because we reward hardworking, decent human beings who actually want to help themselves. So, enough of the talk. I've got to get back to my YouTubers who actually are here wanting to win some real money. So good luck if you've joined me. Links in the profile, youtube.com/thedaytrader1. Let's get back to YouTube. Here we go. All right. Everybody over there on Twitch, good morning to you. 36 followers, just 14 now to go. Great stuff till we hit the target. Okay, so if you're on YouTube right now and you want to be in the cash draw, we have two. Here, we'll do the green one first. Okay, so it's too late to enter the competition now because we're going to do it right now. So here we go. Here's the first one. Now today's rules for the cash giveaway is we're giving you money via Cash App or via your crypto wallet. So if you don't have Cash App, and you can have Cash App all over the world, you need to get it. If you don't have it, do you have a crypto wallet? You have to have one of those two things. You have to have one of those two things. If you don't have a crypto wallet and you don't have Cash App, you can't claim the prize if you win. That is the rules of the show. Rob Brennan, up 800 today from my trades. When Virgin Galactic hits $10, I'll become the richest. I will become the highest grade of member you have, Martin. Brilliant. Are you sure about that? I have an investor level, so be very, very careful what you say because we have an investor level anyway. So anyway, if when Virgin Galactic hits $10, I'm going to be saying to Rob Brennan, you're now going to become an investor level, and that's gets very, very exclusive, very powerful content. And we don't yet have an investor level. We have 3 sponsors, but we don't have anyone who is an investor level yet who actually owns a piece of the day trader. All right, that's a very different ball game. Anyway. Let's see what happens. Only do that if he gives you free advice first. Yeah, that's it, Paul B. Okay, cash giveaway. So we're doing the 6 videos. You could have had 6 chances. Have you liked the video? We've got 3 people who have not liked today's video, so you won't be in the draw. 3 people are watching right now haven't liked the video, so you got 1 second to like the video. Otherwise, you won't be included. All right, okay, let me go over to my software now. And here we go. Here we go. Who's going to win? The winner is today. Let me get the comments here. Only 7 people. Let me see if it's increased. 11 people now. 11 people have entered the competition. Now, some of you will have a bigger chance than others because you watched all 6 videos. All right, and you left comments. Are you ready? All right, we're going to do it now then. No more. That's it. We're not going to refresh it anymore. Here we go. Here is the cash prize giveaway. We're going to do it right now. Here it comes. I should have checked first. Yeah. Bronze, silver, gold, sponsor, investor. All right. Shoot-be-doo-be-doo, wow, 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 ba-da, Right, you ready? Okay, here we go. Who's going to win our $10 cash prize? We've got 2 today. Here's our first one. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. The winner is Paul. Is Paul in the house? If you are in the house, Paul, you have to be in the house. And he said the word green. If you are not in the house, you will not win. Is Paul here? Paul has to be here. If Paul's not here, I'm here. All right, Paul, fantastic. We've got a second one. Congratulations, Paul. There you go. Awesome stuff. Right, Paul. Do you have WhatsApp? Sorry, not WhatsApp. Why am I saying WhatsApp all the time? It's like a crazy thing I keep saying. I don't know why I keep saying it. Paul, have you got Cash App? That's what I meant to say. Flipping heck. Have you got Cash App? If you haven't got Cash App, set it up quickly. Have you got Cash App? And anyway, Paul, are you over there on Discord? I have Cash App. Great. Give it to me on the screen. Give me your Cash App on the screen or give it to me on Discord. I don't care. And I'll send you the money. You've got to claim your money by the end of the day. If you don't claim it, you lose it. You lose it. So if you give me a Cash App right now, I'll send you $10. All right? Look, I'm doing it right now. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Eager to give you free money. Some of the people on TikTok, they go, it's not real. Well, you're idiots. You're idiots because you missed out. And I say you're idiots with the greatest of love because so many people scam me on TikTok. So it's kind of not your fault, but it kind of is because it's obvious they're not really me. They spell my name incorrectly. They're never live. They haven't got any followers. They're always asking for your WhatsApp and your Telegram. I don't want any of that. And they don't ever give you money. They want you to buy stuff from them. All right. I'll Discord you. Okay. Discord me now, Paul. So we'll do it later then. You're going to Discord me, right? Okay. So I will send you the money as soon as you Discorded me. All right. There we go. That's Paul taken care of. Paul will Discord me. Marvelous. Paul, I need to know so someone doesn't pretend to be you and try to steal your money. All right. I need you to tell me what's your username on Discord. All right. So somebody else doesn't go, I'm Paul, because people do it. I've had people do it. They'll watch whoever wins in the YouTube chat, go to Discord and go, I'm Paul. All right. So, I want to just check. Mr. White, okie dokie, I've got you. I'll add you as a friend. I've done that. Let me make sure your membership is up to date as well. Yoopie doobie doo. All right. Okay, Mr. White. There you go. I want to make sure. Yeah, you remember it's all today. All good. And I've messaged you that, right. Wave to you. Congrats. All right. Okay. Congrats. Just send me your Cash App and I'll give you the money straight away. Great. Okie dokie. I think I should be the winner. I think it should be that the winner needs to call in. Could be. You never know. Right. The second one was, there you go. I've got it. Mr. White, I'll pay you money right now because we're still watching MULLEN at the moment. All right, starting to fall. I've got a 5% stop loss. I'm still up, plenty. We're waiting for the. I'll only lose $20 at the very, very most if it goes down 5%, and so I'm not worried right now. Oh, are we going to go down? If it goes down, it goes down. It's not a problem. All right. That's why you put a trading stop loss in and have discipline as well. Don't cancel it. Don't cancel it. Stand by what you've done. And the most I could lose is $20. And if I lose $20, it's fine. I put my $1,300 back in my buying power, and that's absolutely fine. Because there will be profit taking at this point. There always is. All right. Okay, I'm going to pay now. Paul. Okay. Just checking I've got you correct. Is your name D apostrophe Ath? Is that correct? Is your name Paul D apostrophe ATH? Is that correct? Yay. Is that it? Cool. Hey, we just hit 200 on Discord. Fantastic. Correct. It is you. All right. I'm paying you then. Are you sure? Confirm. Yeah. I'm sure. I want to pay him some money. Yeah, I'm sure. There you go. Let me share it with everybody. I'm not going to share your account. You don't want it sent. That's fine. Okay, you'll get £7.95, which is $10. All right. Send $10. You ready? Sent. All right, Paul, I've sent you the money. I've sent you your money. Let me know you've got it. Congratulations, indeed. Right, congratulations, everybody. We've hit 200 followers on the Discord now as well. We're having a good day. 200 members now, which means we get certain benefits and perks and benefits and perks, and everybody wins. All right, so big congratulations to all of us who helped promote the channel. Paul, let me know you've got the money. I know you have. I just sent it to you, but anyway, let me know anyway. So congratulations, everybody. We've now got 200 followers. Time for some fireworks. Bring on the fireworks. Boom! There we go. There's the fireworks. Fantastic. Love it. Shoopy dooby doo. Wow, wow. Oopie doo da. There we go. Fantastic. Thank you much indeed, everybody. Oops. Turn it off. Turn it off. All right. Now we're over to MULLEN. We are falling a little bit. It looks like it's sold. Yep. It's sold. There you go. It's sold today. And it looks, yes, it did. It must have done. So MULLEN sold. Yep. It sold. And I lost $20 on it, I think, because it hasn't yet risen. Yep. Buy 1325, 1320. I lost $5. That's okay. I sold at 1320 and I bought at 1325. That's fine. Yes, I sold and I protected it, and it's going down lower again now. Now, I might do it again if it goes lower because the news hasn't happened yet, but that was to protect it. Remember, this is a very speculative stock. It's more. You got it. Thanks. Fantastic. Nice one. So we'll keep an eye on MULLEN. If it goes down lower, we'll have a second go. But I only lost $5. And that was the right thing to do. I'm very happy with that. Don't mind losing $5 to protect 1,300. It's fine. Knowing how the stock works and operates. Right. We're all good. Now what I'm looking for now is another drop. It might well pump from here. It might well pump from here. But there's absolutely no point in keep buying it in at the same price. And if you miss out, you miss out. Fear of missing out is a very dangerous thing. Never do that. So I bought in at 133. I would look to see it drop before it goes up again, before I try again. I lost $5. Not even as much as I thought, actually, because it actually made some more money. But anyway, I lost $5. It's okay. Got the money back in the bank. If it goes up without me, I don't care. The overall portfolio, got to protect our profits right now. Okay, we got our second giveaway. Right, we're going to give another $10 away now. How nice are we? I mean, this is ridiculous, isn't it? I'm too nice. Why am I doing this? I don't know why I'm doing it. Better than Mr. Beast. Way better than Mr. Beast. So we're going to do it again now. We're going to do who did the We Love Space one? Anybody? Celebrating we're #1 in the world for SPCE stock. Okay, let's have a look. Let's have a look. Let's see how many people did it. Okay. Okay. There are. Let's see how many people have done it. We've got 25 comments on it, but how many people put We Love Space? We love SPCE. 12. All right. 12. 1 in 12 chance now. 1 in 12 chance. So I might give everybody, I'm going to give everybody a little bit more time. So I'm going to put a 15-minute clock on the timer. And we'll do it when the clock reaches 0. All right. I think that's what we'll do. We'll give you 15 minutes. So only 12 people have done it. So this is the We Love Space video. Another $10 cash giveaway. It's a 1.5 minute video. You've got to watch it all the way through. Leave a comment, We Love Space. There it is. There's your video. And I'm going to give 15 minutes on the clock right now. Every time you watch it, you get another chance. There it is. We Love Space. And I'll give anyone a chance if they want to win. So we're going to do another cash giveaway right now on YouTube, youtube.com/thedaytrader1. And we're going to give away another $10 cash prize on Cash App or a crypto wallet, whatever's best for you. I don't mind. I want nothing in return. It's free to enter, free for all. And there it is, another $10 cash giveaway once you've done that one. Alrighty? All right. Okay. Back, just been watching something interesting from a crypto guy, Bitcoin. Where did you, when you say back, was it a commercial? Is that what you mean? Did you watch a commercial? Been just watching something interesting from a crypto guy on Bitcoin. Was that a commercial or what was that? Anyway, that being said, let's get into it. So thank you very much, Tom, for all your help on the channel. No, I'll send you the link in Discord. See for yourself. Oh, okay, so you were somewhere else. You were just watching something else. What's going on here? All right, now let's have a look. What's MULLEN doing now? MULLEN's going back up again. It threw me out at a 5% loss. Protected myself from losing money. I lost $5, that was all. Waiting for it to go lower. Did you look at the link I sent you from Robinhood? Not yet, but I will do. I actually could... I could bring it into the show. Let's have a look. Because it's kind of important. It's very important to the stock of Robinhood, actually. All right. Do you invest in crypto or commodities at all, Martyn? Yes, I do. I have Bitcoin, BSV, and Ethereum. So yes, I do. Yes, I do. Okay, we've got breaking news here from Tom. Apparently, Robinhood have abandoned indefinitely their launch of the UK platform. That's a shame. Let's have a look. So let's go over to it right now. What happened? Oh, hang on, that doesn't look so good. Let's go to Google. That's not very good. Let's do this one. Different view. All right, that's probably the best one. Okay. What happened to the UK launch? We initially planned to launch Robinhood in UK by 2020. A lot changed in the world in the first half of 2020, and also we had a difficult decision to postpone our UK launch indefinitely in July 2020. We know many people in the UK were excited to invest through Robinhood, and we regret that we didn't deliver our product to UK customers in 2020. Although our global expansion plans are on hold for now, we remain committed to opening access to financial markets for more people around the world. We look forward to the day when we can bring the mission to the UK. So it's just not happening now, but it will happen though. It has to happen. Robinhood UK had a limited amount of UK customer transactions in calendar year 2020 as part of our pre-launch testing phase in line with its applicable UK regulatory obligations. Robinhood UK has prepared its RTS 28 report for a UK customer transaction in calendar year 2020. Blah, blah, blah. So there we go. All right. Thanks, Tom, for bringing that. That's a shame, but as they've said, it's not indefinite. It's indefinitely. There's no plans for it now, but they've said they will revisit the idea. So it will happen, But that's a shame, though, isn't it? That's a shame for everybody concerned on my show, particularly because you're all such fans of the show and you all want Robinhood. But there you go. That is a great shame. They will fall behind further behind against their competition the longer they delay that launch. I agree with you, Paul B. They need to do it. Do you invest in crypto? Yes, I do. And here is my positions. Not much right now because I've sold it all out waiting for the big pullback. I've got a bit of Ethereum. I keep buying it when it dips. Bitcoin, I keep buying when it dips. And I have 2 BSV. I'm up 13% on BSV. The real Bitcoin. Right, we've got the second cash giveaway in 10 minutes. The markets are falling down. Market profit, we've stripped away our gains. No, we're still up by the smallest amount, 1.5%, but we've pretty much wiped it out. Martyn, when are you moving back to the UK? I plan on retiring in the UK when I'm 60, maybe before. But yeah, I do plan on living back in the UK. That's our plan. We have a plan, Stan. Right. So, we deported him. Yeah, nobody wants me anywhere. The only people that want me are you in my YouTube show. How do you plan to hit 200,000 purely through investment growth, or will you add to your account? No, 2 ways. As my YouTube channel grows, this is my only job. This is how I earn money. I have no other money. This is all my money. You know that. And as my YouTube channel grows, as I gain more members, as you support me with the ad revenue and the stuff, then I will make more money. And slowly, YouTube will become an income. And I will put a percentage of my YouTube income into my stocks. Makes sense, right? That's my income. I will invest from my income. I will put some in my private account. As cash. I will put some to pay the bills and some to go into the channel, into the investment. But also, I believe once the war is over, once inflation peaks, and it will happen this year, then all my stocks that I'm in are going to fly up. The S&P has been oversold now for a couple of months. Right, a lot of growth there. SPCE will hit this portfolio here will be worth over 100 grand. This will be over $100,000. When this hits $100 a share, this will be over $100,000. Right there, right there. Will I sell it? Yes, of course I will sell it. I also believe that Tesla will be $3,000 to $4,000 in the next 4 or 5 years. So, you know, that's going to 4 or 5x. There's another $100,000. So, yeah. I do believe my portfolio will be $200,000. That's right. And then it will go into dividend stocks, and then like market profit, can put it in the bank and earn 6%. Because when you've got that sort of money, you can earn 6%. But right now, I can earn sod all. All right, anyway. MULLEN is still dipping around. You see why I set the stop loss. If it goes dramatically lower, remember it is very speculative. It's all on what they say. It drops back down afterwards. It sometimes holds for a day or so. Last time it happened, it popped up 40% or plus. So I'm waiting now for it to go back lower again. And then I'll set a stop loss again. Here we go. If it goes down nicely, I'll jump back in. And do it again. And then same thing, set a stop loss again. So I'm waiting for it to go down lower. The S&P... Virgin Galactic, everything's diving. We're down nearly 5% today. My Nvidia got sold, and so did my AMD. Nvidia and AMD both sold. So I'm out of those right now. I'm not buying back in anything right now. I'm waiting for bigger drops. The US is such an expensive hellhole. I would rather live in the UK. Let me explain. Yeah, in the UK, my car insurance is £200 a year. In the US, it's $300-400 a month. That's car insurance. My property taxes, we call it council tax in England, is £800 a year. In the US, $4,000 or $5,000. It's a lot more expensive in the US. All right, a lot more expensive. In England, I have free buses when I'm 65 to travel everywhere for free, all around Cornwall for free on the bus, for free. In America, you got to pay for it. Healthcare in America, you got to pay for it. In England, it's free. What else? I talked about car insurance. I talked about the home insurance. I think that's, yeah. Oh, yeah, the house insurance. House insurance. Thousands of dollars in the US. Thousands. 220 for my house insurance in the UK. Different ball game altogether. And if you want a simple life and all you want to do is walk to the pub on a Sunday with your mates in a little village, and all you want to do is walk down to the beach and walk on the cliffs and walk around, and you're not trying to have cruise ship holidays, you're quite happy just to, you know, be at home, sit in the garden, smell the roses, nip to the pub on a Sunday, you can live on a state pension if you own your house, you have no debts, and you have $200,000 on a portfolio. You won't be a rich. You won't be rich by rich standards, but you'll be 99% richer than the rest of the world. And I'll be rich and a millionaire living in Cornwall, happy as Larry. Why do I live in the US then? Because I married an American. I was on a cruise ship, met Leah on a cruise ship, and we ended up getting married, and she works in America. I decided, obviously, I can work anywhere. When I first came here, I started doing gigs and doing shows everywhere. And this was like 5 years ago. And then, of course, COVID happened, destroyed my business. No one's booking entertainers anymore. So I lost all my income, and now I'm doing YouTube with you lot. With you retrobates. But in the UK, you have to wait for ages for free healthcare. Tom, stop bloody moaning. English people always bloody moan about the healthcare. It's free. So what? You've got to sit and wait. Sit and wait. Have patience. You're not going to die in 5 minutes, are you? And if you have a heart attack or something like that, they'll take, they won't, you'll get treated straight away. But if you've got something wrong with you, well, you know, you find out you got cancer, right? You don't need treating in 10 seconds, do you? You get sorted out. Look at Dave Mottram. He's getting chemotherapy. That's all free. In America, that would cost you literally hundreds of thousands of dollars. People go bankrupt paying for their healthcare in America. It's big time. Market profit. One of the catalysts for today's move lower. There was a very good US payroll report. You would think this would be great news, but it actually makes the Fed more aggressive fighting inflation. Thank you for that, market profit. You have the option for private health. You do. You do. Hi, babe. Thank you. You all right? Oh yeah, what's the time? Oh yeah, I've got to do the cash giveaway because I've got to go in a minute. I've got the aircon man coming, and that's another thing. In England, what we do in England, we have the windows open and the fresh air. It's free. In America, you got to spend not 6,000. What am I about? $20,000 on an air conditioning unit for a house the size that I'm living in, which isn't that big. This is you know, quite a small house really, by Texas standards. It's a big house compared to what I've got in Cornwall, but by Texas standards, I've got a small house. $20,000 for a new air conditioning unit. Open the bloody window, let the fresh air come in. You can do that when you live in Cornwall. You can't do that in Texas. You've got to have a $20,000 air conditioning unit. That's why, because people weren't supposed to live here. People weren't supposed to live in the desert. That's why. You're supposed to live in Cornwall on the beach. That's why. Hang on, let's have a look at this one. One of the catalysts for today's, you have the option, yes, you have the option for free healthcare. You can pay for it as well if you want, but it's not close to the US prices. No, I am broke because I went to the dentist last week. There you go. The Queen of Self-Braiding will tell you. Queen of Self-Braiding is in Dallas, Texas. When you go to the dentist and you have stuff done, I spoke to a friend of mine the other day. Guess what they said to me? They spent $13,000 on their teeth in one visit. You heard me correct. $13,000 in going to the dentist for one thing. $13,000. Do you know what I do in England if I have a problem with a tooth? I say to the dentist, "Oi, dentist, do I need that tooth?" See, look, I got one there, look. See it? I'm missing one there. You can't tell when I smile. Looking good, right? Looking good. But you can't see it. There's one there missing, right? In America, they want thousands of dollars to put a little crown in there. Thousands. And I went to the dentist. I've lived without it. I said, I'm from England, right? If a tooth breaks, I pull the bugger out. He went, you can't do that. I said, why not? I don't need it. He said, but you can't do that. I said, well, why not? You don't want me to do it because you want $5,000. Look, who cares? Look, a little gap there. You can't see when I smile. I can eat. I'm fine. Guess what, folks? That tooth's never going to give me aggravation. In America, people will fight for their teeth. They'll spend thousands and thousands of dollars keeping hold of a tooth. I ain't bothered about it. I ain't bothered about it. And let me tell you another truth as well, what the dentist told me. They told me that most people with lots of money in America who pay thousands of dollars for all their perfect enamels and cap teeth, you know, that perfect smile. The majority of the people with lots and lots of money who pay for really, really expensive teeth, right? She said, my dentist said to me, my hygienist said to me that they come here for their cleaning and they have the filthiest, dirtiest teeth. And I said, why is that? Because they just repair them. They don't clean them. Every time I go to the dentist, right, because I can't afford to buy new teeth. I'm on YouTube earning $2 a day. I can't afford. I clean my teeth twice a day. I floss. I mouthwash. My teeth are healthy. Right? I can't afford to buy new teeth and have them all capped and all crowned. So I take care of my teeth. I never have a problem. And when I have the odd problem, I go pull the bugger out. There you go. Giving birth in the US hospital costs $30,000. $30,000 to give birth. In England, you do it at the side of the road. Root canal and crown, $6,000. Who's got $6,000? I earn $2 a day on YouTube. Root canal never works. No, what is the point? And that's what I said to my dentist. I said, if you crown this tooth right now and you do this and that and the other, does it guarantee it? Does it guarantee it? Well, no, you might be back again in 5 years. Bugger me. So you telling me as I get older, well, yeah, you get long in the tooth, the gums recede, you know, more bacteria. You get old, your teeth get brittle. So if you knock on the door, babe, I'll go. So as you get older, more and more likely, you know, more and more likely that you're going to lose your teeth. I said, just pull the bugger. I can manage. Pull out the bugger. Pull the bugger. There you go, Fusion 301. There you go. It hasn't stopped you talking either. There you go. I get crowns, bridges, cleanings 4 times a year. Fillings all free via veterans. Well, you're lucky. You're in Canada. You're not in America, mate. Might be a chance to buy space under $7. Let's get back to the stocks. Right. We got to do it. What? Yeah, I'll do all that. Right. Bloody hell. There's chaos here. There's chaos going on because the air conditioning man's turning up. $20,000 man's turning up. So we're all getting... Right. Fusion, did you win? You haven't done it yet. We're doing it now. Right. I've got to do it because I've got to end the show because I've got the air conditioning man coming. Bloody what a pain in the arse this is. Right. Here we go. Here it is. So, the We Love Space one. Here we go. You ready? Let's do it. Has everybody watched the videos? Everybody left a comment? Too late. I'm doing it now. Where is it? I can't even see it. My eyes have gone. I need glasses. Right. Let's have a look. We Love Space. Right. Here we go. We Love Space. Flipping, I'm too nice to you guys. All I care about is giving you money when I'm trying to end my show. Right. How many people did it? 12? 14 people did it. Let's do it. Rock and roll time. Right, here it is. Too late now if you've not done it. If you're over on TikTok thinking that all this isn't real, you've missed out again. Too late, too bad. We're giving more money away now. Another $10. And you wait, I'll get begging emails this afternoon going, do you know? Oh, by the way, my charities and my members, all of you, Zach has never asked for anything. Zach has never asked for anything. None of you have ever asked for anything. That's why we help everyone. I love helping Zach. I love helping all our friends in Uganda. They've never asked for anything. In fact, they pay to be members of our channel and watch and support us every day, and they've never asked for anything. Never asked. I've offered to do the fundraising. It was my perk. It wasn't like, can we have a fundraiser? I said I'll do a fundraiser. They've never asked for anything. Anyway, let's do it. Here we go. The winner of our $10 cash prize giveaway is Crypto or Cash App. Here it comes. The winner is Sorin S. Is Sorin S here? I don't think Sorin S is here. I might have to go again. Shadoo booby doo doo dooby wow wow. Give him 10 seconds to go, and then I'm gonna do it again. Be doopy shoot bap be dooby doo woo. Shoot beat dooby doo. Right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're not here? No. Let's draw again. Draw again. Pick another winner. Rocket Man 2! Is Rocket Man 2 here? All these winners aren't here. I can't believe it. The odds are getting better. The odds are getting better. Rocket Man 2. Sorin S, you weren't here. Rocket Man 2 is here. Is Rocket Man 2 here? Whoop-de-whoop. Rocket Man 2. Yes, he's here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. Okay. Rocket Man 2. I've got to go. Yes, he is. Right, Rocket Man 2. Now then, Rocket Man 2, are you over on Discord? Rocket Man 2, send me your WhatsApp. Send me your WhatsApp. Are you on Discord already? Rocket Man 2, do it right now. Send me a message right now because we've got to end the show. Yes, you are on Discord. Okay, give me your username. Send me a message right now, please, so I know it's you. Please, please, please do that now. Congratulations, Rocket Man. There we go. I've got to go in a second. Let me put on my little Ring camera, and I can see when the man turns up. That way I can stay with you as long as possible and squeeze out another cent per person for another advert, another commercial. Let me set me Ring door camera. Let me set me Ring. All right. I've got it live now. There we go. Right, there's me Ring. There's me Ring door camera set. Looking out the front door. Right. Look, this is me. Look, this is me looking out my front door. Look. Oh, shoot, booby doo boo, doop dooby doo doo, doop doopy shoopy doo wah. Look, here we go. Look, this is me looking out my front door. Look. See, when the man turns up, I'll know he's here, right? And I'll go, oi, excuse me, mate. I've got the day traders here. I can't just go because you've turned up. Your $20,000 flipping air conditioning system. I earn $2. $2 a day on YouTube here, mate. What time tomorrow are we catching up? We can catch up today, Tom. We can catch up right now. I'm free now because I've got to sit around watching the air conditioning man do air conditioning stuff. Please give my winning to Zach. Oh, Zach! Zach, you've just won $10 from Rocket Man 2. Now then, I have the fancy app. I got the fancy app for it's Sendwave. Zach, I'm going to send you 10 bucks. Here he is. Zach, you've just got $10 more for your charity over there in Uganda. Like I said, they never ask for anything. None of my fundraisers ever ask. It's always me offering and you guys donating. I love it. Woohoo, Rocket Man. Thank you so much, buddy. So Sendwave, is that right? I'm going to set it up on Sendwave. Okay, let me get the studio set up so we can sort out. Oh, what do you mean get the studio set up? What do you mean? Get the studio set up? This isn't the gold plan membership scheme thing. You're trying to blag for free. What's going on here? All right then. You take a break. I'll set the studio up so you can help with my YouTube channel and make me famous on YouTube. Without me being a gold member. What do you think this is? What sort of game is this? Yes, Martin, right, I will take care of that. I will take care of that, Mr. Sendwave. And Zach, I might need you to send me, Zach, via wherever you want to send it me, send me your details, because I haven't set Sendwave up yet. I haven't set it up because I never needed to send any money to you since we last did it. All right? So I haven't got Sendwave set up. So send me your number or whatever I send it to. All right? Okay? Well, I did help you get the turned on Discord and get the Twitch sorted out. Does anyone think I should give Tom gold member status privileges because he helped me with Discord? Hang on, let's do a vote. Let's do a vote. Right. Should I give Tom gold support because he helped a little bit on Discord? Right, should I give Tom gold support because he helped a little bit on Discord? Yes or no? Or, hang on, add an option. Prefer not to get involved. Right, or option 3, prefer not to get involved. Happy birthday, Sam. What's going on here? How's everything doing? I'm currently with my wife celebrating our first wedding anniversary. What, today? It's your wedding anniversary today? Is it your wedding anniversary today, Sam? Okay, let's send it to you on Discord. Thank you. Happy anniversary. A little bit. Right, let's see what the votes are. Right. Yes, no, nothing else yet. 4 votes. I'm going to let you decide whether I should help Tom or not. We're down 5%. We are all celebrating as we are both working on our date, on the date of our wedding. Well, we are celebrating it as we are both working on the date of our wedding anniversary. When's your wedding anniversary? All right. Well, we celebrate stuff here on the channel. The man hasn't turned up yet, so we might have time. If you're a silver member or upwards, if you're a silver member, you get to celebrate on the day of, the day before, or the day after. It's the 24th. But you're celebrating it today. Are you? You're both on holiday to celebrating it today. All right. All right. Okay. This is a perk of the benefits of being a silver member. All right. Okay. Here we go. I'm going to end it on TikTok right now. No, I'm not. Actually, I'll leave it going. Because I'm going to do this for Sam. You ready? We're going to celebrate his anniversary and we're going to make him a viral video. You ready? I want everyone in the chat. I want everyone in the live chat. I want copy and paste. Happy anniversary. Stuff like that. All right. You ready? Let's have a look at our stocks quickly before we move into this. Yeah, there we go. I'm glad I sold out of MULLEN. We've still got an hour and a half before. It's still trading down, so I'm out of it right now. Okay. So let's do it right now. We're going to bring this up. I want the viral chat. That's it. Here it comes. Not yet, Tom. Steady on. Wait till I start singing the song. Wait. What is it with you people? No patience. There's no patience for some people. Right. No patience. Get ready. All right. There you go. Turn it around. There you go. That's what you're going to see now. If you want the best view, you've got to be on YouTube. Alright, copy and paste, copy and paste. Happy anniversary. Okay, here we go. Okay, so this is especially for Sam. They're celebrating their anniversary, and so I can't think of a better song because it's the best song in the world. It's my own song. Here it is. Oops, I've got to press the button. Okay, here we go. All right. Is there anybody out there for me? Is there anybody out there to share my life? Is there anybody out there for me to love me for what I am, not what I appear to be? Not for money, not for fame, no, not again. I remember many years ago, started here playing my songs to the likes of you. I traveled all over the world. I played in every major capital too. As I traveled so far and wide, I found a wife, I made a family. Those days are gone now, I'm home alone again, starting over, trying to make things right. Is there anybody out there for me? Is there anybody out there for me to share my life? Is there anybody out there for me? Oh, to love me for what I am, not what I appear to be. Not for money, not for fame, no, not again. I remember when I was 4 years old, I used to play piano beside my dad. When I was sad, when I was glad, my music never let me down. This is my commitment. I'm looking for love to last the rest of my life. People judge me before they know me. They haven't ever been inside my home. Is there anybody out there for me? Is there anybody out there for me to share my life? Is there anybody out there for me? Oh, to love me for what I am, not all that I appear to be. Not for money, not for fame, no, not again. Is there anybody out there for me? Is there anybody out there for me to share my life? Is there anybody out there for Sam? Yes, there is. He has a wife, and yes, it's their anniversary day. There we go. Happy anniversary, Sam. Let me get back to the show. That was especially for you, Sam. You can clip that, put that on your YouTube channel. Good luck to you. I've got to get back now to the trades and end the show. It looks like the men cutting the lawn has turned up now as well. I've got all sorts going on in the studio, so I've got to end the show. We've done our cash giveaway. We've done all that. Let me get back to the trades very, very quickly and end the show right now. Let me end all this. All right. Let's get it going. Be right back with you now. Here we go. Okay. All right. Turn the lights back on again. Looks like we've got our... we've not had our man turn up yet from the air conditioning, but we got the grass cutters here. The bloody grass cutters. They're even more of a pain in the ass. Right. Look at MULLEN. Can you see now why I set the stop loss? Very, very important. Very speculative. All over the place. Set a stop loss. We've got the announcement coming up in an hour and a quarter. It could pop back up again. So what you got to do right now is set a stop loss with it the moment you feel that it's hit the bottom. So I could do it again now and set a stop loss straight away. So buy shares. Oops. 1,000 review order 127. Yeah. Buy purchased. Done. All right. Sell. Trailing stop order. And I'm prepared to lose 2% at this point. Shares 1,000. Whoops. Sell. I beg your pardon. Sell. Trading stop order percent 2%. There you go. It's now going up again. Got 1,000 shares of it. There it goes. It's trying to push back up again. And review the order. A 2% stop trail loss. Give it a second just to get some profit in there. And that'll be a maximum of $20. So here we go. Sell MULLEN, stop trading order, percentage, 2% down. All right. Getting ready. 128. Starting to go up again. 1270. $20. That's what I'm down right now. If I set that there, just holding for a second, just to get a little blip. And then we've got to end the show right now. Okay, review the order. In fact, I'm going to change it to 3%. I'm going to change it to 3%. So 124. I bought it at 128. Okay. Okay. Just waiting to get back in again. So I've bought 1,000 shares and did the right thing by selling earlier. I lost $5. It dropped back. It dropped a lot lower than I bought in, and now I'm setting it for a $3 stop loss. The announcement is an hour and a quarter away. I'm waiting for it to go up a couple of percent, and then I'll only lose 1%. I want to put the stop loss in place quickly because we could get another drop. And I want to protect myself. I'm going to put it there. Okay, now I can forget it again. Very speculative. It's not worth risking any money. That's why you put your stop trading loss in. And if it does keep going up, well, then that's great. Let's go back to the stocks very quickly. We're still down now. We've now nearly wiped out our week's gain. We're just only 0.5% up from a week's gain. So we are losing everything, but not an issue. We've protected that loss there, so it's not going to make me. It's not going to lose that much money. $20, but it could pop up on the news. Should I give Tom gold support because he helped me a little bit on Discord? Yes, 45%. No, 36%, and prefer not to say. All right, okay, there we go. That means a yes then, Tom. Looks like you got a yes. Also, space down, 689. Let's have a look, SPCE. Yep, 698. It's a new low now. $6.91. It's not low enough for me to buy any more. It's not low enough. It's low. It's gone down, but it's not low enough. It's only a tiny tad underneath my average, so it's not really worth the bother. That goes down 3%. I'll be out again. Vanguard S&P down 1.79. Who's watching me right now? We've got a good audience. I think I'm going to get off though. Tom, are you still here? Tom, are you still here? You looking for some help? I can gladly help you. Apparently, I've got to help you now because the vote said I have to, even though I don't want to. Vote Trump back into stock prices make great again. Vote Trump back in to make stock prices great again. I love it. Hello. Here come the scammers. Here come the scammers. We love when the scammers come in. Let me click it. There we go. Let me just report that. Click report. There we go. Wasting your time. There you go. Where are you, Tom? Yeah, where is he? He wanted help, now he's buggered off. What's going on? Are we going to get any turn up today? Any green at all today? Oh, MULLEN sold again. That's the second time now. So that's me giving up now on that one. I'm not gonna try again. That's $25 lost now. I'm not gonna do it again. As I say, it might pump later, but I'm not gonna play it again. Tesla bouncing off 700. Oh, how many more of these? I keep reporting you. How many more? It's good to do all this stuff because it makes you, it's like blocking numbers on your phone and stuff like that. It's a pain in the arse, but if you could do it, eventually it slows down. Eventually you win. Let's have a look at Tesla right now. Bouncing off 700. 708. Again, it's not low enough for me to buy any more. I got in at 710 with Tesla. Dexter Sickles got in at 710. Nice. Seems to be a theme. Give everything back and more after a few bullish days. Yeah, it does. But I'm not stressed. I'm not in my margin. MULLEN, I protected myself, tried to make money from it. It just wants to go down, so it might well go up this afternoon. Once the announcement comes, it's at 11:30. It's an hour from now. I don't see Tom in the house. Okay, I've just heard from the air conditioning people that the air conditioning man has been delayed. That's good, isn't it? That suits me perfectly. I'm here. All right, Tom. Apparently, everyone's voted that I should help you. Give you gold support, even though you're silver. Because you helped me with Discord, apparently. Apparently. You have let us down, Tom, wherever you are. You have let us down. Yeah, Jason Stolfer's not a fan of yours anymore now. Look, he says you've let him down. You've let him down. He's going to unsubscribe, unfollow, unlike, everything. He's going to you. So that's it. That's what happens when you. That's what happens when you ask for gold privilege. You get unned. Tom has been unned. Anyway, it's all good fun. Oh, is that Tom there? Yeah, it looks like Tom's back now. He's come back. Come back. Come back. What film? 10 points, if you know what film that's from. Rivian, Lucid, everything's going down. So what I'm doing now is you can't trade this. You can't. You shouldn't be buying it. You should be holding because I am holding. I'm not using margin. I'm not doing anything. I'm waiting for potential massive crashes. Market profit says it's still on the cards. Some analysts believe it will happen. Some won't. I don't believe it will. But I think we've already had it. I think it's already priced in. But you can decide. See, everything's going down. Titanic, correct. 10 points. 10 points to Tom. You don't win nothing. You just get 10 points. You can do whatever you like with those 10 points. You can deposit those in my filing cabinet under management support for the day trader. It's called the waste paper basket. You can deposit it in there. Your points. Your 10 points. SoFi, it's down 3%. 6% today. I'm down 3% now. I'm not buying any more. I'm fully invested. I'm happy where I am. My portfolio is balanced. It doesn't matter how low stuff goes until it goes a lot lower. And I mean 10, 20%. I don't mean 50% like some people are saying, but 10 or 20%, I would suddenly start shoveling on the coal. But for now, a lot of my stocks are still in profit. I will file those for you. Yeah, there you go. File them in my filing cabinet. Canoe. Down free. It's everything. I mean, this isn't stock. This isn't stock wide. This is market wide, right? It's not just one stock. Everything's down. Everything. Look, 6%. We're getting crashes now across the board. The whole market's being sold off now. So I've still got profits in a lot of stocks, but I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing anything. I'm sat on the sidelines. It's the wrong time to buy in. You can't just buy all these dips. You can't buy dip to dip to dip to dips. You can't buy dips on dips. All right, let's have a little look. Let's have a little look across the board. 200 followers now on Discord. Fantastic. If you've not yet joined Discord, please do. Let me give you the Discord link if you're watching and not on Discord yet. We've now got 200. Tom, what does that mean? We've got 200. What's the celebration? What happens now we've got 200? I know it's the first milestone, but what actually happens? What actually happens? That's what I want to know. All right. Rocket Man 2. Inflation is key and the Feds are not doing enough to fix the problem they created. That's why I think the market will drop 20 to 30%. Bloody hell. Another real big risk for financial markets. Canadian housing is rolling over substantially with record amounts of debt and historically high mortgage rates. This could be another Lehman moment. Oh my dear, yeah. I agree with market profit. Yeah. Not a great deal you can do right now. This old grind down, dear oh dear. It's tough. It's tough right now. It's tough, 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 tough. Come on, market, push up a bit. Yeah, everybody shout at the TV. Do you know what? If everyone gives me a super chat, stocks will go up. That normally happens. It normally happens when everybody gives me a super chat. The stocks normally go up. I've seen it loads of times. It's happened loads of times. It's like you're putting love out in the world. I've seen it. Some of you are thinking, no, that can't be true. Come on, market, try it. You might as well try it. If everyone donates $1 now to my show, see what happens. It's only $1, innit? It's only $1. Why not? Why not? You're all risking your stocks and your money right now. Why not? Why not invest $1 in a super chat just to see if it drives the market up? I think it's a good idea. I recommend it. I approve this message so much so I'm going to play a commercial and try and earn some money. There you go. The problem is there is so much real bad economic data and so little good data. Everybody's getting squeezed and nowhere to hide. There we go. That's it. MULLEN let us down today as well. No money to be made there right now. They've decided to bring out their news on the wrong day. There you go. It is what it is. Ain't nothing you can do about it. That's why you got to control your losses. If you don't do that, you're in trouble. Very, very important to control your losses. Yeah. Sit on the sidelines. I mean, it'll come back. If you've not got margin, if you've not borrowed money, if you're not... You just got to sit and wait. There ain't much you can do in a situation like this, is there? It's rubbish. What we gained yesterday, we've lost. What we gained yesterday, we've lost. If you look at it, if you go to the week, yeah, we've lost it. 1.54%. There we go. We're down on the live. We're down on the day. We're down on the week. We're down on the month. We're down on the 3 months. We're down on the 1 year. And guess what? We're down on the year. 39% now. Can't sell out. Nothing you can do. No point. Tis what it is. Got to ride it out. At least I know if Tester fails 700, we can expect it, we can expect, except it is a bad day. But holding 700, who knows? Jason, good point. Okay. Nothing we can do about it right now. We've just got to keep riding this out, I'm afraid, for now. See why I set my stop losses. Vanguard S&P. I'm still up. I'm still up on it. I'm still at 1.27%. Virgin Galactic. I'm just down 0.91. I'm not going to buy any more. I'm going to wait now for a 10-20% drop. That's it. You've got to stick to that as well. Know your discipline. Know what you're going to do and stick to it. Don't deviate from that. Balanced portfolio, understand what's going on. If you've just tuned in, or you're watching on the repeat, subscribe and ring the bell. Smash the like button. Happy that you left margin. Yes, these markets are suicide right now. I think that's what you were saying, as opposed to Seuss right now. One of the hardest jobs I have as a YouTuber is reading everyone's comments and trying to work out what everyone's saying. But anyway, I'm just saying, you make it hard for me. You really do. You got it. Yeah, that's right. I think margin is right in its place. I think margin is okay to use a little bit. I do believe that. Taking advantage of the dips, I do. But right now, we've got to stand by and wait a little bit. Because at the end of the day, if you've not got options, not got contracts, not got leverage, you own the stocks, just let them ride and fall down and buy the dips at the bottom. We've been buying the dips now for 7 weeks. We've now got more bad news. Most people now are saying this will come to an end this year, but we are saying it's going to peak this next couple of days. Between now and the 16th of June is when it's going to hit bottom. Is the worst of it. And then we'll start seeing some buy-ins. I mean, this is what it's all about. So, where's Peru right now? I find margin ideal as long as you keep aware of the reality of the size of the position and the size is comfortable. Yeah, I agree. Totally agree. I've got margin on hand here at 40,000. I've got some margin available, and I think it's right to use it at the right time. What I did last time, though, was it got out of control, got ahead of me, and that's not a good idea. I've got to check the doorbell. I've got to check the doorbell. Oh, hang on. Who's that at the door? Let me just see who that is at the door. Hello? Hello? Oh, you're the air conditioning guy. Okay, fantastic. Just give me a minute. I'll come to the door. Thank you very much. All right, the air conditioning man is here. I've got to go, everybody. So it's been lovely being with you today. Of course, we're back for the closing bell. MULLEN all of a sudden is pumping up. Look at that, just as we sold out. Be very, very wary of it, though. Don't buy it again there now. But I'm out of it right now. But I've got to go because the air conditioning man's at the front door. So let me go to the end screen, and I'll see you all back this afternoon for the closing bell. Be safe, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you back in a short while. Take care of yourselves and each other.